Mwache medase memwakwa ba se wo hwe bedwam Adom TV so ensem a yeto yembo ase aboabo no mede ni nyina ensom ensem de do so na de obetie no so kahwe bi ene se adesrade akogana mpanimfo ho se wonhwe na emergency nsentro ma ye ne ye ho no wonhwe na wonyi emfi wo sanso en assembly member ya wo Sancho Kofi eye gbodomachemu a efri ebra mpanimfo etie sa mensi no nya de sempunti obia no akoso ewo ho na yebeko eye multimedia affiliate station Time FM me no ka say niam ba ko mienu bi akoso a ama wo motawa no chese adwiri enti ama wo mo ateko munchemu nyina no yerebe ma we ni nsem ahodo bi namde so mo se bedwam so kase kai say DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 ushia me a eya frame anoche wa ba ajwa se wa finchwe mo no me de to so amount. And Central for Enkabomuko Ghana Journalist Association, Afi Media Foundation for West Africa. Na se bibrem hanumo na se bibrem atoye ni nyina no yen Central for won Enkabomuko sanso na Ghana Independent Broadcasters Association and Afi Private Newspaper Publishers Association. Wo mu nyina atena se de wano akobenkro ma wo sre Ghana ban mpanifo a wonum ka bi wo mu ese emraya echechere Central for ema ye ne ho eka na brefum se Criminal Offences Act no ebe yan kampanifo hwe no wontwam sabi yan Central for bede wo mu no adwuma se de se ne fata
se emrani wo ye book mu nko de police for ani attorney general e wo to me say omo de be ye adwuma it no na ene aba ne say wo be nya say ye call on government, ye call on attorney general and all the major stakeholders say ye twa ne repel amra no ye nyimfiri ye nkratem book
Enwachi, what it on Central for more my yina enemy say. Somebody in Krato mani a buying sa act in one chain sign once mom homotia say, but no cray, which media womo edimo.
Yes, sir, is a job for dinner, it will be out for any media to say. Yan try say, ye be discharging a duty with highest level of integrity, any professionalism, and no, and a year candidate to is a job for now for. Say, yes, so Mra, ye call on a buying to repeal the two obnoxious law. Mrab Yununa,
Free Central for ceremony onko otimantem no emugwan mensin no emu na assembly member ya wo Sancho Kofi gbodome opanyine na no demu a wo supane hawo enyina ne se fribra pedifo ete gwan mensin no wo otimantem wo no obetumi de sense de bu akase mpunjujuma akasa de abo wonom se de dwunso abo akoko ha dwen passans wutwemu a o man Ghana no wo so eka ho bi nti mpunjujuma ekoso wo potamu bi no wo hwese pedifo betwa wani abehwe wo mo no mo so echefe wo mo no wonsaka
by near Japan as Oti region you create here yenso yababe en sabeka district and so auto when you share important ha in fact eseweni o share ya kwan na akwan de enye kra
na no si yepe enemensini krache Janet MFA boto ase editu dwase enyesa aban atwi nani esanse aban ede hihye egu akwamu a Ojidi ye se enche impuntu omanfo pese wo mu hunu no obehu okiremu se assembly no aso akobo fom a wo si dan amalepe senior high se be ye adesuafo ehun nkire wo mu.
District assembly to me has not been neglected. The common fund that comes, we all know it has been cut down, and it's same with all the other assemblies. But we know the economic situation we find ourselves. So I think if not for that, we could have seen more than enough. For now, the district, even this year, has cut sod for a story building, which is a 2-story, which is a Get Fund project for Lipe Senior High School.
If you want to say young corner, another matter, and could you be your coyer one crank point Mumacha traditional council? No, now was here Fiano Homo, one for Shayado Mudine, Brenner's house to be Montino, one more day and Shayeno Ego, and Shayeno, dear do first, and say, what your son air 2 day year, I think, Trene near Mabia, man, and anomasum Ekaka woman, and I say what your son to so, and see one more abandoned noise making, 10 year, so your pub, so we are dying to be from Fidencia Bonte, and Monum Tim December, and Nubidi, Nasaba. Efrasie mebus media ni mene de tosu edunum no de akwa akosi June bosu mene da ye tosu edunum no stress wo mo ate enkrasa ase so wo mo ye nwuma ahodo ani dede nanam ni nyina no obetie na wadi so.
During this period, the Ghana state will fast and pray for rainfall, a bounty harvest and good tidings. The Ghana state will also pray for the country and its citizens to continue to keep the peace, the love, tranquility, and good spirit. The Ghana Traditional Council urges the general public to take notice and observe the rules regarding the ban on drumming and noise making.
And wachi enkramante muswafo Henry Cote enso edito omanfo awote enkran ene ne mpotemu se woni hihye yi a nanamayemfo edibetu dwa no so.
The Regional Security Council, in collaboration with the Ghana Traditional Council, is appealing to all and sundry to observe and respect the ban on noise making and drumming.
Ni krakra ena gamanche ni ite ikochuru ya otoso bienu enso echere de wo hwehwe e wo sa fashe yi emu.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Smoni awake ashe sei tetra.
Yeah.
Dole sawoni shono.
Yeah.
Ya fensan ya pa.
Yeah.
Wo wanda ne fe shin.
Yanko asen ekropon na camp ene yekwa akogina chechefo bia wodi wonti to Mitchell Teachers Bungalow no ensukesi ebi to emframa kakraka na mu menam so mepasa edan no eso na ema chechefo dodo no a wo mo wona fufu okrom ho de ne oba no abesrew okura ne sumie na se oba beda won kyanya ansa afi afoforo bi nso ana kakra wo mbotom no tisi nkura bembe ho no no se wakwa han dan no de wonti atum se bi obenya kwan na wachira desuafo wo asen ekropon camp ade na sanse minti wokwa asen central ho no a MPP amanyoko no panyini ba kwa wogina se won hwe nto no so aba mo se bibia toto yi obetima begina se brashe bedwane no aye Godwin inti anewu opanyi abon homoden ade ye nkyense ade kuri dan so bi akoma school so wonye na chechefo bia ye so paaye no wo moso ema won
hwe dan kase na etuye na asa won boss no omo de hook na so roof ni tare edan no yakopon ya adoma fa ya babo omo mo boss bi wo mo den asa omo de kwata road be chechire roof no e de akire edan no eye anya sa dia omo ye ne sa bi wa nshitope afema fa betumi apagade akọ
sire be na chechirefo ebenyi baabi atenenti no owura bi a oyi ne ti so obepre MPP amanyokuo no primaries ya beba so asen central ne bi owura go Fred nti anewu edi chance dan akodum a chechirefo no se wanye de won fan modan no so sire be ya obenyi baabi atena akira de
Africa Ghana ebeko nenimu a ejina education ntine me ti se omu teachers quarters eswapal na sese o se mitumi kakra me so mitumi ya de aboa o se mitumi ya boa na mama nkwala no motu education akwene
assemblyman na ohwempotemu ho ejina chechirefo na nam eka kire opanyin so woda na se bi mra bio
se atorenche matu yi na sotin ye da wanyi am na abehwe abeboa ya ni shiran baby a onya ni sika fi bia nyankopon enhye na ne
afela modi amane boyi ifri asen rakase camp ene bradum kase
afimpe do ne mo twini mo no ena aseye ye hwe ngmosu ahonsam so wo mo launch safe school program na ne bota ye nyina ne se behwe na chechefo ne adesuafo kwan yo befa so afa school no mu apie ya niema ye keka violence won betwe won ho afri ho na sanse minti na director general wa de Ghana Education Service Dr. Eric Enkansa de afutu ama abatan chechefo ene adesuafo nyina se ye obi asede obi anyina famu de ne won hwe se be ya nkwada betumi anam school mu na wo ye kire ene Bambia, Maturenchamba no obecho ho afiu.
The GES believes that the attainment of violence-free schools is a collective responsibility. Hence the tagline, Safe School, a shared responsibility, emphasizing the fact that we all need to be on board to provide and promote a safe, secure, and inclusive environment for our learners. This explains why we are instituting this annual award.
Adom kase ebopini abaya hana egbenya ya wedin fie dumiensa okosuku wo voter school for the deaf no empenifo bo na baso ema na Ghana cedi empem 9 4,000 dwumadi na se ene wo kire de hye nkura nti a oye na adwen se logo yi ode ne ho be hye design no mu bi esan se sebe oye mum na wontimi enkasenti wode ne nsa ena ekire na asemu ase a obi ekirikire mu ema Adom kase eteyi.
I had 4 things. We have the safe school. The first one, I had to use my colors that I was taught in school, using shapes, tools, and then I used it to design. And I used green in my colors to depict friendship, and then nature, and then environment.
Amazing Grace Association eyekuya nche aban ase na opanyina wono no ye kofaba ye side ani mo na ye Margaret Odro Yuka Brichimemu no wo na ma media de hwede mo de ato Ghana fo a wo mo tukwan kodu bi man so akakra bo mo nsem nyinanim se wosre Ghana ba ne ye na famu de ye sa akade ye ne niema ne mpuntujuma hodo no obeyi miama Ghana fo ne nso wo anyame ato nsem wo bi man so no kanye bia wo mpotemu kura wo free so ka niema hodo gwa mutimi kekam ho bom na mo nso mabaye na aboa se be ye aban no ekombe han no manfo mpuntu a wo hwehwe ni mo no wonsabeka.
It sounds amazing. Ye juma ye de ya ne charity. Enti December ni dua ye fund raising. Ni ye benya no ni ye de aba ye man Ghana mu. Enti ye tua na monkoi ekuya pemmampo. School for the deaf. Ye koye nsuo ewo school mu ho e mankwalai from 2015. And when I'm calling you, Babeto 2023.
Nanusi yape and a headmaster wa Damampon School for the Deaf and no. Edia sida Piesie Esther mami so ma ekuo no ewo moa wabeyama wono moa. Wasan edia desrede to Ghana fo wonsem ewo bie ekuyakuo ene adwumakuo ahodo enhya abayase nyina enim se. San se wonum enim padodo nti. Adesuafo ni bi eda fom. Senti and also wonum ebehiam.
Thank you. I must say that we are extremely grateful to Amazing Grace for this gesture. In fact, before you came, it was a huge challenge because getting water for the children has been a huge challenge. And the numbers have grown. I don't know when you came how the numbers were, but over the years the numbers have grown. And so
Yankwa MPP amoyoko no wonom akache ne fa ye wo manso adubia na empanifo wo ho no mahunu se enwo akohia so aboabo adom wano na wo fra sede ne mahodo ogu akwam sansa fimpinu ne 29 no wo bo wani ani na chese eba ne sa no se abatu ankasa be koyi age se grassroots chese wo mo wase ho no no uni omudi ne ye na wo hye wo mo ma na wo mo hunu fasode e wo so se wo boabo wonom ehom na no nam so ma akoda de ase a wo mo ate eye women's ring na se ma ekuo no kyeremu a enkroto ma akoma akwadua wo twensia wo hwe na watimi atete kuo ye tesa bi ewo
ba kupe omu pa ye pa de se be ma enya economic independence na yesa organization de ye kyerɛ nyina ne se ma timinya economic activity bi o mu sa no na o organize ma o have just for political reasons intia o nyehwe into ba poverty level no to here wo mamu o ha no e wo soro pa itina ye started sa reorganization say e ma no ye be mu hands on training a omutumi be niema o ma betimi ato no mutumi dia hwe o mu ema
Enwechi ema Adom frefo won peswa no eso rutu osei eka edika ho se omana moto omutu no botaye ene se obenya madodo ama wo mabedon NPP amanyuku no
ma yesiaye eyese okunkasi ada yenim come 2024 ye na 2024 ya ebe ena yeyi me nso ncheye but me ba se me be bobo ma no na ye de atwedom na de atwe vote amaye ena de bia ye ka se emma wade mu eye oba wo mu eye
Enwechi a rare root card to us say MPP manyuku nimpanyimfo san so hwe ne mu se ombetumi de nkyerɛkyerɛ ama ma wo mo ewon peso ne so se de be beboa ama manyuku ne nsempa wo kɔbɔ ho de huru no omatumi abɔ ne yie na atwedom ededi amanyuku no echi
inti ma kyerɛkyerɛ mu ene eniema ye party no so aye ene ahofam mo nso nda na di wo kuro yi mu se ye betwe obi vote ama na be vote mayo ona wo mbu ofu ona ye bo MPP kwa na omonya mrasepo ene ya wo mu di wo mu no tie no makasa
Badwam so ne Adom TV so na ebrason se yehwe online portals ahodo nsema ahodo egusu sanso ena de obonkrata no dodo no aba no kwasinsia so aye krado ya ensembe ena edeba ne nyine bebo ewremu ama wona ena eda foforo ena efiada na ese na eboja ye nti no ho ye gum na nso so ye begumu saa kura sede ye kura no asemi dika de still no ano gina mu se peme penze mu nso ebejire mpeme sanse enye no akwasinsia ne chese ne wojina mu kwasi kwaba
ajo amejo so
empombo kode
boko na nso e
yankopon gususua
efi na tuntum ne koko ye
ye nua be ma modestus se enne na ye hwe na wo tweda no nti be hu ne se enefie ha nyina ataidin because he is menka say he is such a great leader wo hwe wo mo atete wo mo mekaye no I went across Makafui
okay
ni post wo Facebook and it's unfortunate mesu amadiachi we share the way a boy no pour ne heart out and he said modestus fa no na adwuma no kra wonnim ni bonkum nim ni nifa na hwe nsem bia wo busa no modestus so ka se menye we se wadwene ne sei nipa iso enti asibiem na ayare hosem yesre mo se mu fra se mo tete ye ya mo ntena se hwe bia beduransa because hadwe
ye me hu nyina hyede ye me hu nyina yakọ your head of camera your multimedia ejumemu ha modestus me baaye afeba akone o kanipa ba akwa ni mfie ko enu na so mfa ho se o ye pani o ye akwada obuo ni nidie ye sefata so de bema wo modestus de bema ye ma oyere ne ba abusua adofo adwumefo ene ejamfo nyina yakọ ye me hu nyina hyede ye agidifo edie ne be kan kire we ne se nyame ne dema ono so na oje ne na otwe eda eso ene ya yenua no ekwa yaresabia wansa meka yensa ebiem eya ye kare che obakunafo se due ayenso enwie ha asemo ajua asem but nyamena behwene ba se bia hye yenwa na eka no asem na yede ne mfoni ato o TV ne so no ona na camera fo ewo multimedia nyina oda wo mo ano modestus Ghana de minim TV station ya mu mpanifo ne mu adwumayefo ennim no esa na adwumaden na ho fama opepa owo de ye adwuma to make sure say ewie peyo enti minim pani a onhia modestus ya onpe na asem ode dem refugee sa samando yo maya onyanom onamfofo ojumayefo ojumampanifo esu dikan pabiaye etwo maye ujwenwa ontiasie debi etaka sasimui ni papa enche unyaye efa yempufrimo oba edwuma mu anopeya bebreni atatai su nyamena na behye yende ka ba mu afi na nyame adom wasinin kanko eso 43 years modestus why modestus a day why a day wama yanka yasa wama yafutu fuasa wotu yasebofo Modestus Ade. Na no bnada na nke ne wa na wa adwuma yi. Enu nyina na gina ni mu hanom edi nkomo. Ade ne na wo pictures ne de kire ye. Modestus why? Who are safe here? Ora kosichum shade. Kafra. Tri ayensu yendwe bi. Nyene nke pia hone. Si ebedenya na yenua. Enye si yenua na yare da ho. Modestus anyare anda ho pokra even for 3 days. To talk of 1 week. Tia me ya ekosa me ho yare aba. Ya wase besum Ghana for. Mo bompaya mon kaye. Munti ena wa. Mfayanka o prayer topics. Ye kwa ye bay. Ye name baby ye pepin pia kotru. A match the day to you be say baby a me wo tina me di areho. Baby a me wo etina weti ni su. Abranti anka we free ne kroma bank na so be bobra. Edi bi akohwe na busua. Ofie. Ade anka busua mpe eya kwantifiwo. Modestus why? Modestus. Modestus. Wanka ye frewa wo phone pokura momu mienu ansa no apeke. Ade ne ya ma ye tiem ye hwewe. Wa mojuma fo nyina botu Modestus. Wona no mo camera department. And also camera mo anu ohun po so Modestus. Okay. Aria.
Where it's all about Modestus.
Yeah.
Opanyina na oti akonwemu no na ye ono a. Ayefro no na yekoso no. Be ma na wo hye suit gina oba ne nche na ye ono a. And said ye na nwom de ka say life is so short no. Ye de ye nim say Modestus okai ni creator while he lived. Enti ama ye mu nhyehyeye. Na dia na menti ase ne se ni papa panche. How like why? Adenti. Ene wo se basa nipa wotimi so nkwada nsa tete wo mo. Na won tena se enhwe bebi ankwada ne beduru die. Besere awurade ses wo sesan na ye yi a. Said ye na no Yesu kan wo cross no se nka be ya anka makuru wa yimpare me. Owie no de so se. Enso wo pe ene nye ho. Se awurade sesan na be ye yi a. Ko sesan na ni papa pafo no ntena se nche. No mu hu ye ya omo so ye nsa no. Baby eda achebe kwa akowie nti enwumwe ya hwa but mimpo na madwen ma so se Modestus ewum kopem se ofiri mo no ena nwom no me hu se nkofo start post na so okay chiso na lead character ewo sa enwumwe mo it hurts sometimes say from afar wo hu the depth of the pain but se ben wa na se bobo ko todwemu a se wan kanti mu anhwe abebubu ebia mese so mo bompa se na wo kan kwasi omo bi mai because adwuma den ba ko wiase papa very difficult. So me share free that time last week. Na me bana mu se camera phone gina camera chi. Na step down Iris, pan to your left, do this. Na still omo ye no say dey bibia nto wo mo. Ni etwa show ni wi a obeba no na omo tete corridors mu ha. Omo bi omo na emie. But omo hwe schedule no mu say the next 5 minutes another show be koso a. Na omo pepe omo ni mu na omo sa be gina camera de chi. Sound, light, engineering, obia everybody. They've been so strong. Yesterday, se mo bompaya eya mon kai na adwuma ne yedin. Ebe ma abusua yakọ ne ama oyere ya sabre chese oti kuna kete so na no so adware no yakọ. Kwasi de bia me kasa de ba koamisuro ne se be ma am ne be wade se yete se kunu ene yire na dakope. How do I even explain to the kids? Me ade na macheche machere nkwada na se mo papa kọ no mabi. It's my fear. So when people meet me and they ask dabe na abe warrior, they don't know my fear. Today I'm saying my fear on TV. Na me hwese me sorry. Na me ramog. Ni atwe nipa no. No aye den na ma hwe nanim say if everything is okay a. Ni asa kanashim. Nipa woto mpasa me ne naso. King size bed, duvet bibia woso. Nipa woto sumie ma me di me tito so. Ene dabre ne adakate mu a ebe ye den. Nenso edim se awrade nti obehye ye den no waka ye ho kunani yesrewo usua na waja ya hem yade nenso won kwa na awade minim se waja aba wachiri ana waja ama wachiri mamiensa he's just young 50 kra wanya 43 years tani say life begins at 40 nimpo a ko sha abrabo ase be ka se nka 3 years ni Nensu nsiranka awrade se modest to sha abrabo ase na wosua. And these are the people like yesere awrade se nko omo nkwatenten no omo ni omo breso aba. But it's unfortunate. Yebeka cha obata ne nkwada no abusua ne omo aban kunani sa abere se omo nso ni mu. Omo nchechire ne wure. Omo nhye ne nkunan. Esanse emu oya. Emu oya o. Emu oya. Kwasi gina ho wo be mentia ni firi su ye menyaye nanso yeso be mansu ye be sere awrade sese mpo be fa ye hokafo akwa eya wo moye nka ye wo ho wo de wanyare mpo na hospital kwa na mi hu sem de aduane ekoma mi kunu me kwa ba ko pepa ne ho na mi hu se ebe ye ya na enye yi asofo mompa ye nye o mafamu de na se biti pa me na hwemu saa de no woman can come to terms with that. But ye best rese awrade beka abusuano no akire wo mo wore na wama kanea ato wo mo so obompa ya eya monkai kwasi
Ajua okay eti ebuso ma e wonyina ya ko onya bra na wato dia frene na otwede dia yedi ede ama yenua Modestus ya tuen sari afre media houses awodo e nyina se meken wona yenua Modestus na otwe ededie no enwe payo tajua ye wi nse dia we kan adwuma enso
yes adwuma wo
sena mode epe na adwuma no saa ne be ya adwuma e de ahye ne de enweti emfa daily graphic da bokata ensha se na no pay e wo da bokata emboso no eso or say petroleum rakes in $1.43 billion in 2022, highest since production in 2010. Eti free afimpi mienu eni edu ya Ghana yesha setu yetu fem wona dudum ewo Ghana 2022 ne nyes kakese pa ede efrimo. Energy Minister leads ECG to retrieve debt. Comes to the picture of Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh, Energy Minister. For the was a secondary constituency city with unique landmarks. GHS students dazzle President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo showcase road safety innovation at Jubilee House. Media coalition calls for repeal of regressive laws. Daily graphic, I don't know. The Chronicle and so in the online. Online. So the Chronicle and so in your say Kumawu NPP primary. Yaoba steps down routes for Oba Tampa. Comes to the picture of Openi Yaoba.
Repealed criminal libel law is back. Journalists protest against suppression of free speech. Want obnoxious Electronic Communications Act removed. Comes to the picture of Mr. Suleiman Abraham, Executive Secretary, Edema Media Foundation for West Africa. Daily Guide, Nyanko Online. SMA Ghana GRA Board meet on revenue mobilization. Engineers critical to industrialization, Akufo Addo. AG appeals restarting opening trial. Mahama promises NDC agents tea and biscuit. This time not only tea. Takwa gold robbers arrested. Daily Guide.
Adomonline.com your stories ahodwa egu ho ne bi we yenim say ye bewra eye me museyi ya na napaye Mother's Day no ya na promo no koso kakra ntino afi yes ye celebrate adoptive mothers.
Okay.
Nya maame a wo chem wo ebi a woti we maame wo chem wo afiri ma na mposo wote ase nanso obi fa wo ye ba ebi kwa your Sunday school madam bia ne wo school mu ebi ye role model bi ya wote wo ya wono na chese watete wo a ofisi kura breso a owura fi so wo maame ono ne ho na woko. These are the mothers this year celebrating adoptive mothers. And about time so our more party me call orphanages e kwa adopt enkwada e be hwe wo mo do bo no manyese woni ba wo obi o mansia still wa adopt me nu aka ho sebe ya ono so sika wo no obetumi di ahwe omanfo gisafo no na afi ye be celebrate wo mo ntino wo enna bi saa se de ye no no na se ne wudi ni din aba wa ye video kakra bi de aka ho na brand so a ya hye de ne de hye nkran de ne de ko yie na se de ya ye no no ya de fefefe ahye wo maame no animonyam. Man kills wife after she predicted her own death. Adomonline.com. Where I interview where was my dad bribed me to go back to university. Davido papa and I was saying papa bribe no started we so onwe school no man keke. Nti wo SHS ano wo ye nwum ni nyina no. Wo so obeto so ogina stage to dwom nyakro behwe ni sum. Ehon nti no so onko school ni nwie emma no keke. Wonim se bi
konfa.
Onko ma no papa no. Na wonim se bebre so akwa wie makrata no kora no. Omo edademu a edube na so obi kuta placard gina kwa wo say me kuta certificate we you enti mama madwuma. I think the music is paying.
Oh yeah, but you see, and I know say and no so be say school no coins not shapey.
Yes, I want.
Yes. Because yanka say we go school kwa na nim yansa. But sometimes uni ni padodo ehia kire adwen a otimi say ni adwen na kita no odi we so de ba kakra batan ho a eye far more better eche na ye kan school no enye certificate na wo de kira mansa no enimde na wo akwai ene kwanya wo fa so de nimde no e ba be ye adwuma plus se binimde wo tim dada
Africa so no school ni ye bia ya ne nipa bebre tena.
Yes.
Obi ane ne su obi ane ne ban e kwa be fa so no omunyina atena a wo mfom obi ana wo fom obi ana obi fom mpo betimi amanage ni nyina shape attitude
because e wiase na wo enye
island so na
yes enye onko anu abusua no wo sebe wo kwa wo ba nyina obi kura tim de car krap obi e de eto car ne be se kwa ba kwanya be fa so nipa no e be kasa and a betcha so be jawa mo akwa na so be twa asem times. It is sometimes when you count the school assembly. You can school assembly school na nyansa wo. You can school assembly because at least udru ho no mo an open environment. Ye ma usua bibiye usua papa usua ne bone. Now do nim de na kuta no asone you ko sua ne so.
Yes.
It is so no aka se muso no aboa. Unya kwan na betimi akosuku
Kobi.
Me Canada. Akwanya ewo ho say ubetimi akosku betimi akwamfo university bi ubetimi abo masters ubetimi a doctorate ubetimi bia betimi akosku akodu bia ahomden wo honko ade akobi
e bia ya dri kura no connections.
Yes,
you need it but you na wuti we bia wo hia bibi wo airport o kai say my classmate bi my colleague bi ye juma wo ho wo friend na e simple ma chance o ba ko si reception akobusa na abedru ho no say na obi pe bibi wa ha na onya nchiremu a onim se kwasinsia wa ha and once wa frɛ wo say you take it from there
no tie nyine enko so be nja kwanya ho na ahode no so betimi akwa me pacho ko bi free senior high school na abai me abata me ma aba no entene fie o ka se die na akra be di. Sometimes we need to sacrifice our life today for the bigger picture ahead of us. so your bata no am wani amra mo ye mo aboso se ene afie di eni me ntonto makakra na me be support me ba no so on fan ko school no fa you see e bata wa se de se obehwe oba ni wom no hwe oba se de be ya wo hwe akra me na bedum pepe so se o che mo sabeda ne tosom emfa emma obi ba enya be se 30-35 years
this one baba na say to
you me this ma me na auto draws auto paste auto brush auto soap but akra no kosku kakra at least yes yedim say you want ayedin but once okuta that nim dia no one day because you see opportunity say emiti preparation and a success no
yes
but we want opportunities we bring on now but the preparation
onya na dwen
adwuma yesu o mama wie SHS na form also be isi kura wan twere ye beda fa kura adwuma yes university na for na form adwuma obey free SHS be na ase da bi na be to adwuma amana de ntu se akura ne ntena
fi
ena akura ne nya adwuma nye no se bo ho aba sobo
ma me nkokuma se akokọ amon
okay
na boy bi yi me meti wo ho jobi ahia wana jobi si free SHS aba me kobi sa ton be si pa akoso school bi o sa day mahama de ni bi o de me kobi agora amfie me nsa na boy na wi se wo university
yes
o ye baba o a wo yitire
yes o mo ani bra ewiase me say bibia peso ye bia ti woni padwem na start we nya boafo
ebi kwa ti long
bibia peso ye bia di woni padwem di ni padwenim na start ni o hia so be start I'm telling you say ekonya be faso abawie adekoro no wanka se mo nti ase
e be che wonsem
because obi opeso obo obi opeso hwe wanka sa preparation it say as a brand be your friend ona mo say je be say open a rent no we say so 9,000 or so 9,000 no wonya bi na me so so da bi nya bi open ni na me da
wow open ni nyina
wonya ni nyina di woni padwem ne start bibi me se kwanya abefa so abawie se dan na apese osia di woni padwem fa so ni se me busumi akatwe 1,000 member you say every month the 400 beto no ye ne won ye na nya asase ni wie se masase ni kwanya abefa so obesi that 2-bedroom house na wie 3-bedroom 4-bedroom one kasa bedroom wa won ti ase one start e onya boafo no kure wo no
Basi yenhwe abusia ye kɔ na ye fiada aye boja ye na kai sa se bi di kan de tuala e be ye interviews na fei pense mu ato aso na agokansie nso ebeba na aye fiada na sa ho se penso etuala na ye da ye ho aba bedwam se ni enko bebia
Akwaba kesi me ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwunjuma die so dia kensi wo sempa esa kana no pensu ja metindi Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin konya ekono kwanten kode ene fiada no pensu die ebrel ewo Adom TV so channel smam say one expert have always told you that betting is better than sakawa intasimo bet e chin so twan be for odin be fu twan kuma bia odin kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yire ma ofasefo na muku mu ene ompnafo se busu ene de japade bejawa says ka kokko na hempa so betua tabiri akona ne faketo akwaje kese fani na kuguso na twa ne befu na din befu moden da one expert ema boys timi di Easter na kama yes akwa anim one expert egusu gina nas moden da se we na chi no kusu pebet dia one expert ana eboa emaniama atua tutu yi give fast message do tatwi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chiwa on set me ka give fast do bia no so betia boa koyeba shops na pharmaceutical shops ni na mu do beboa onuma prapro harawa no mrebo ma atimi di nchine moden da so sabetia ka jeffas eno ene dra eno so eboa pa Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel fu pampa so bepem onase no do ba ko 2 years say Sedimo gel and roll on moden da ukọ ashama me market enye na ho afete manso sabetia ka betia from 02082199129 na one Sedimo gel and roll on from pay phone so yen twetwe nkomo yɛhwɛ moa ɛma nneɛma ɛntimitutu yɛ fama a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step yɛnhyɛ aseɛ mfa mfi Europa League quarter final clashes between SPM no AS Roma ɛtumi ɛkye ɛyɛ final ɛtwamfo Champions League quarter finals results ahodoɔ ɛtumi SPM ne ɛde gya nyame adom a semi final no bɛba so in May saa bere na AS Roma ɛto nsɛde afɛ Bayer Leverkusen no mahyɛ saka Juventus ɛne Sevilla ne de akensi no bɛtumi abɔ so nso ɛno ɛyɛ matches a ɛno so bɛba so May busunim ana ɛbɛtumi atodwa afei yɛnkɔ European League fixtures ahodoɔ no so ɛtumi SPM no na afei hwɛ sɛ na nneɛma ɛbɛsi akɔ ɛwɔ hɔnom yɛkɔ EPL na afei de ne ɛtumi sakyerem ɛwɔ Spanish La Liga but hyɛ no soma me sɛ ɛnɛ fia day Arsenal bɛto nsɛde afɛ Southampton ɛwɔ England no mahyɛ saka na afei Saturday ɛwɔkyena Fulham ne Leeds United bɛbɔ Brentford bɛto nsɛde afɛ Aston Villa Crystal Palace ne Everton bɛhyɛ saka Leicester City to nsɛde afɛ Wolverhampton Wanderers na afei Liverpool wɔn ne Nottingham Forest ne sɛ Nottingham Europe ana ɛbɛhyɛ saka kwɛsɛ da ne de bɛprapra mpram adware kwa no Bournemouth bɛto nsɛde afɛ West Ham United na afei Newcastle United ɛne Tottenham Hotspur ne de akensi no ɛbɛtumi abɔ so we EPL sɛ na matches no ɛbɛsi akɔ ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛntintom ɛwɔ La Liga ɛwɔ Spain Mountain so na afei yɛhwɛ sɛ na nhyɛ no bɛsi akɔ ɛwɔ La Liga nim ɛne fia de Espanyol bɛto nsɛde afɛ Cadiz na afei Osasuna ɛne Real Betis bɛhyɛ saka ɛmɛmɛda 22nd of April na saa kensi no bɛba so Ameria Sergio Manucho bɛka sɛ Amelia wɔn ne Atletico Bernabeu no bɛhyɛ saka Real Sociedad ne Rayo Vallecano ɛde bɛbɔ so na afei Real Valladolid ɛto nsɛde afɛ Girona na afei so Real Madrid ɛne Celta Vigo ɛnso ɛbɛhyɛ kwɛsɛda Elche ne Valencia bɛhyɛ saka na afei Barcelona ɛne Atletico Madrid ɛde bɔ so Mallorca ɛto nsɛde afɛ Getafe Sevilla ɛto nsa de afɛ Villarreal na ɔmso ɛde abɔ so we Spanish La Liga sɛna nneɛma bɛsi akɔ ana ɛde ho nkɔmmɔ kakra nso ɛtumi gya mamentintom ɛwɔ Ghana nkɔmmɔm deɛ Ghana Football Association fɔ mpanyinfoɔ ɛtumi abie foundation saa foundation ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ botae ne sɛ ɔno bɛboa afoforɔfoɔ na afei nso ne biefoɔ ɛwɔ mo dwumadi a ɔmo didi ɛwɔ ɛyɛ nkranbu ne mantema no na wohwɛ mu deɛ a na ɛsɛ former ɛyɛ Ghana ɛyɛ Blasters assistant coach na afei former under 20 head coach a de tin ne Selasete bobɔ amanfo bɛka na sɛntem na pomode nsɛm ezisi papa ne nkomo biri na de tin nsa ba ne Ghana Football Association mpanyinfoɔ sɛ anobrɛbrɛ hɔ yi ɛma baatɔ na mmom de ɔmo hwɛnim sɛ kwa bia so papa yi nyama betia tutu yi de manity foundation no donate 50,000 Ghana cedis de ama coach Selasete bobɔ wei ɛyɛ Kurt Edwin Simon Kaku FA president ankasa ane gina mu na ɔmo de sa checki eja former coach.
Foundation will be looking at community development, and here the focus will be on health and education. We will also be looking at providing assistance to underprivileged people and groups, and here we will be looking at donations to orphanages and groups. Reduce, reuse, and recycle initiatives, educate stakeholders of the game on hooliganism, fair play, and integrity, and most importantly, support for welfare of footballers and football officials.
The Ghana Football Association President Kurt Edwin Simon Kraku and a 50,000 Ghana cedis GFE Foundation 10 for Cranimuno at the Ama coach Selasete Bobo former national under 20 head coach no on the Pija Ghana Frank Kanijina Kunkwemra Waje under 20 na Utimisampa no Rwanda and the Sakwa World and Sumanyama Ethiopia Sabreno na Andre Rami Didi Morgan Ayo and the ball captains Amban Matientin Tom come from dia Nessa Azakes for coach I friend say a coach you see Bazigi ono ne kita Hazakes ladies ono so den kuma hakra ba se women football no nsakra ka create ansa bam hwemu tama mo hyase ene se na ba bia edu sese a ogidi pa se nema koyi edema ba football.
I think that Ghanaians should attest what the FA is doing for women football. We are chasing the men seriously, and I'm so happy because from where I am coming from 20 years to date, and I think that the FA is doing a lot for women football, and I'm not surprised of, because unlike the previously, like these girls are not excited. They wouldn't be taking these pictures, because if you look at even their outfit, the jerseys that they wear those years back, they wouldn't even like to take pictures. But for now, they are always eager to take pictures here and there, because their outfit looks very decent and very beautiful. And aside that, even at club levels, you see that the FA is putting a lot into it. A lot of input has gone into it. Financially, they are meeting us halfway, and a lot are coming in. If you look at the way they are even cushioning us with fuel coupon, a lot are going in there, because that one is one of the things that cost the officials or maybe the management of clubs a lot. You imagine you are traveling from Tamale to Kumasi to play, or to Doma and all that. The fueling alone is something. Even if you have your own vehicle, the fueling alone is something. By this time they have cushioned us, they give us a lot of equipment to prepare the teams. So that notwithstanding, we will still need more in a way. But
you see, Bazigi, head coach Edema Hazakes ladies now so double as the Black Princesses of Ghana national under 20 female team. No, one more head coach now turning cancer and come age as a man football. One reason from a lower concentration to a higher concentration. That means baby okono improvement at BEM. After entering tomb and so Ghana Premier League. I'm for just here, a beach as here. But the new when it such my Black Stars Medford and Dina Kinsley, a year Schindler. One also didn't come out create fiancer back and Comodia by Nancy Ghana Premier League. No, or Sagana for say. Monia command shibi o kwan na so be ragoman so akwa bi eye o san TV ofie so na hwe bi so eye na busuafo kumasi na Ghana Premier League eno a anomohwe.
Hello guys, my name is Kingsley Kojo Schindler. I'm playing for FC Cologne in the German Bundesliga. I encourage everybody to watch the Badwam Premier League because my family is from Kumasi, and every time we are talking about soccer, they are telling me how great the Badwam Premier League is. So I encourage you to watch it.
Into Kingsley Schindler and out in Blasters midfielder and also Western Mexico Sunday Blasters body but Huma League no. The busian for a Ghana Premier League no papa until catch also say na obonia commercial Ghana Premier League ne mu de pa players a woman also say kan omoya dey too much na oba mu biwa na say niaba no ene say youth also Akachi North constituency also ewo eye in the voter region also bo football gala na omoya very happy say Western City scout BP mu a also ehwe players awodo na omobo modern ewo Sakes Kesi Timensa to Jenum game no was organized by Dr. Stephen Kwame Topo one na hwebo ma nema etiokoyo NDC MP aspirant for Akachi North constituency and this answer so kuno 8 so na hwe correspondent di ene kwasi azo ekogina mu a wode ehun komo so ejae
Pie Bonnie said that ye benye obi kura efi ye Akachi North ha a obebo national team ni bi ana kro benya akwan ma no ne akobo professional football na amahun faso no ebisu aka Akachi North nti ye de ye butai pa mini nuanom butai pa say youth ni de ye ba ma on he say me am omo mako nti omo ha me ha minimum omo ha bebre me gidi say omo mama ko nya eta mechi a nyama bebre na ye betumi aye ama youth no akọ meni bebre enye bobo nko a nyama bebre ebriketuo ejumesua even ekuaye ni nyama bebre be ma mebunu no omo akọ meni na nti na meba ama Akachi North.
Enti yena musine kwasi azo ana atene kanso de san komo 8 seja sa Akachi fo no ehwe nim se nyame adom Akachi North constituency beti ebo Blasters player bidia kwasi azo from Akachi eso ginim dinde a ono so ebebo aboa emaniama etia kwasa games yi ni kansem kese pa itime san tudwa e constituency nim enra ande de honkomo kakra eja megina we so na media nenso maso da me besi wa ukensi no etimi esia 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than sakawa they will bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira anya ya no ene na yedi etwa bet nya sa bet diwa woni betia kokko betia prunso utiri betia bomu adwum betia hihye ntimisrew ya na odi adwene kakra atua to ho Jeffas Mr. Dwet tahwi infections edu okoya bar shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma onsa ebetia kabi Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan ya odi for pampas be pem na se edu etu ase yi free on eboa emaniama 822 ye edma obetia from 0208219129 na fe oni Sedimo gel and roll on ye hwehwe nkomo ehwemu a emaniama 822 ye fam madama wo me na tachiri bo amena no penso dia o kensi on sempa saka efiada no penso ejaw e wo bedwam twumedie so medin de Professor Ike wala sakudi catch back up and am chine of course evidence based sports and teach it ejaw rather than anima onyo kese yin fi da soni na on fa nko ba bi da so the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
and then akoba ne say we yim and then you die like if you know nipa na we free mu na it's very sad ba ansa na no amebo wa yemi ye enyom no na mami the nyom ba kwa se bo ba kwa to abonoma be 1,000 one song wa yemi ye a Piesie Esther na a boy enyom na enema bebre 20 years or wa grow nim no enyom ba ko nema wo de aye no including concert yeah course so you be on crying and I think so say chrome na making e bia na we nya adaje na we nya akwanya no an shebi pacho ma membo so tofa kakra ma we full support our channel yede ma e Piesie Esther because VGM no adom fo nyina ta na chi se obeje e dia abafi okan ye ho enti pacho ye concert number real quick ni a oye no na ye ntoa ensem no eso
look at that Piesie Esther look at that not take a look at that not take a look at that
the enuni ana evidence base ana ehu hia say ye be ma evidence no na wati ase say bia enye dede kwane ye say sister ne fata artist of the year gospel song of the year songwriter of the year evidence deda da when ti concert no eni we ye fa ba ko ti kan ni mienu bomu a akra kuma ase di na I don't know show ayaya gospel with me arenesa na ye kan ni na no when ya nominations bebre e wo ye VGMA me sa ka me am sister Penny Piesie Esther e wo hasia no pay sister Pacho akwa ba
yeah me dey
dressing dey what ya say her combination me do what Pacho akwa ba shonko
yeah me dey
my fedodo
Sandra me da so why you
say ye we ye mu ntino
condolences ye nyina ye hye ye hodin
Pacho ate ye go straight to VGMA
yeah
we ye full channel supporter Adom multimedia edema
hallelujah
say o deserve it nti ese nyina yen fa ya hoden ye time ye bi bia nta wachi nti eno ho na egusu ye dede say ese fata nominations ni nyina no de he pa na da wakoma so
Sandra menchia wa hwefo nyina in fact se kwa nkasa wo de unim me
ayo
nti me ena me wa adwene bi so say baby e be nominate bia no you feel say you have a chance
yes.
all right
o deserve it
yes nti me mpa bone say erade de nyina ma ye yanka yepe
amen
yes
you bet me assume
yes
but the many that sopan on your behalf Emma on artist of the year
yes
best gospel artist
yes
songwriter say so they can make me abobwa me de nyina
that's right
na oko you can so we gibi wo ho ya nominate bebre oh e wa feel
amen
e wa fe papa because
amen
oh my na me ka say enyom baako niema aye no e nyame nsan no because ovetimi abonyo 100 ba nyom baako waye mi ye
ofutimenti ase munyi ade nyina ba ne ade na je otumu se de o kana no ano
no baako eti no short code no
yeah
ene da ha say no vetimi attest code no to 1767 and I 8 1767 only on Vodafone and now bet me so vote free at www.ghanamusicawards.com we are rooting so hard for Piesie Esther because no crying and messy and can cry or deserve papa because bro sister bre hey na nyom ba kwa ba be killing sa enti ye kan na me church omo niema wire afi and ye under review no
that's right
fata say obi nganya bo concert no enti 2022 year under review no catalog no my mobile so kakra na mu hu ne waye aside no I think say enyom no so aye niema be brain senchene aye akoma attach ne ade no real quick back of him ba show mama concert ni biem real quick pa show wadaroma Kofi Ampedu share
oh
just say it's a tears of joy a tears of joy and that was so beautiful you the idea never say nunum kania maye so normally na ashaman to the word you hwihwi yes it's me who be na gospel is when in fact me ache papa it's a couple mami year under review catalog no na yenhwe enti enu nie Piesie Esther 2022 in summary no international feed just say international no ne nan a esi ekura nya Ghana so with enyom no e be a Ghana Music Awards France Ghana Music Awards UK African Entertainment Awards USA the whole Africa, or USA. And nominations, so what's me a room with Ghana Music Awards UK, Ghana Music Awards France, Eastern Region Music Awards, African Vendor Awards, African Music and Business Awards. Same year under review awards, Gospel Song of the Year, Artist of the Year, Gospel Viral Song of the Year. Osmo, Mama means some one kakana means and I make a new back here. Show me notebook. Show hosted for the year. Yes. Made by Grace Concert. And I'm a book Accra Etremono. Wayemiye Accra Kumase. Song release made by Grace Concert. Wayemiye. And it shows Jean Wayemiye etimi erase. And you're not boy Ghana National Gospel Music Awards, Ghana Music Awards France, Obapa Christie 20 years concert, or Hima Mercy Tahila. And you know, shows now maybe bossing in a show ebia yeah waka park I say. A show I like nah, who deserve it? Big. Who deserve it? Who deserve it? A show I jina why and yeah. Shows be saying it. What show be so we drew. Yeah. It's you know MTN stands in worship. Made by Grace Concert Accra Kumase on 1 year no. Radio and Television Personality Awards RTP and also Okwasi African Entertainment Awards USA Zoom Lion Year Annual Celebration. All angles. Pentecost 10 years annual event. Former President John Mahama 20 just this year Nkasa no mekasa me trotra. A big wedding singing now it's kind of she said big wedding. What your wedding now one first sister yeah. I say won you show. So we yeah dey no amat. Enti say no say na charge. Say na charge. Say no say.
Hello Zano. Oh could be kakrebi.
It's the Apostolic Year of Celebration. Yeah. Mahama 20 years no former president. Etitini ana etitini share muna sister Penijina her Tracy Boache marriage. And also a talk of town, a big wedding and Mercy Esther and husband okona na monso nansi. Mercy Esther and husband ceremony. Now I think some more years celebration or more marriage anniversary binini maybe. Sami Jemfi marriage ceremony. Sami Jemfi marriage ceremony. And also a big really by invitation. I'm Pedu more call man can answer me. And next one I'm Pedu housewarming, my bossy. Why you put near into a betiano? It's no say or be frona, why bet you mesh that program na say then. I'm Punia come if you hustle. Hello, I'm Pedu a judge. It's no year and the review no Sammy way a Sammy is my bonnet offer. Because I make kenning in Abu Bosso, I don't think say Jebeko. And this is Piesie Esther. What's Momo Mammy? Oh, Charlie. You're the radiasi. Hey, where you can you? Some really ask about bonnet offer.
Where it's like Omoa, any pandinim warm, a society
Kakrano.
Yes. Now, say, I can say, now you make Becca Cross say, Yamia Dumontino, we be any one my year gospel, a year gospel can see a be a radia Dumontino. On fire and could not say platform.
The radiasi. Near Danny Pomoso was since was yes. Can manager cum husband. Fresh boy one. Ah, yet I was said, yet I said, you are my nefe. Nah, yeah, can why me a young Jamu? Matis old and Crawford 7. Yes. And so, yes. Wait a patch over to work. I come where.
Why me ye 20 years anniversary. Na press soiree that day no gospel for no you to phone e kekan ho bomu ye in the way say we
yeah never pa video never pa
yes nti ekwache mani pani baje ho bebre so we ko wie say oh ada na monye bibi say na initial na nka ye person ka ye the international artist
because also
two we ni ade na episode do nyina be from na ke say ade no timi you know
unique
nti Yakoba na say your time no near the time factor ntino na yes select say wo hwe de ye na no ye ya ohima Mercy e wo so Obapa Piesie e wo so Joyce Blessing wo so Kofi Pepra e wo so Emoji wo so Pharmacy e wo so Celestine Donko e wo so why be yes
bank of for some person so other gospel artists I approach you so
unse akwai to say enwom no the way it no ye county baby obi abeto obesi nti je say na how I wish say nka ye betumi add more
so me be say me hu Mercy omo mpese me hu no because I think say nyom na any depa e can sister no think o so anka nye bad ni abura Nigeria
yes na nka ye bowura ho pa na no no time factor no ene ade na ehwa
but I don't think me verse bi emfa ma ni email bi enye possible so be ye verse
so when ye in live recording
Matias
a live recording intino na be hia say obewa around
the radio say na nyom no ka say live story omuni well, I most powerful.
Trust me.
Because this is so beautiful.
Yes.
You won't be a check. Apart from what Batampe, 1 year new. You share them who after Reverend Yaps money, you who be say, that's nice. That's nice. Why me a life story?
Of course.
A wow life story. Or before come home.
Unse ye nipa intino. Nipa no bebre so it was the same situation. Bebre na omwatena nkrofo nchen. Na omahunu enema eyeya bebre na so na efira se wa brabom no efia abusua emunye nti no ama wa suffer in life omo bre omo nyinimu no obi ho no ma ne nyinimu no sede ankasa won sereda all the time bia na ye awreho ne che se efie nye
to be at me relate to
be at me relate
that's so nice
na wo hwan so a omo enne awurade ama omo kwanya si omo yie pa no if they are telling you their story.
Hey,
me say Dr. Kwaku Otin.
Hey,
the last time ye share no na oka na brabo asase no. Na ohwe de awurade de na bedura.
Who glory no who pain no.
And na no Monday ne birthday na ye wase na
you are ni. So say big show sing na.
Na oka me tunwem betena so say in fact unyum we die unyum we pa die mi hu bi da wo enwom no ye too much enwom no je say wo se otimi tenasitia na oni time so otimi ya manage enwom no to
nice
yes
why for ladies in no
ladies in collection
ni ne ma come on
ladies in collection me sorry de machi kura chiro kura da
me won Instagram went me hu ni na ne ma na efe pa na quick one answer na wako in 2018 no ka say VJ ma shada anya fair kakra because onyum ubedia dance no man nominating
yes
no na ka okle my ne krank e kwa
unse afi wo bi bedia dance yo ka say eyamia I mean the message enwum no I mean everything about the song no na nyese bia me so nkwa no ko say me dem kora boy ekwa akire eni party ni pagetu mu na eba say ye soft meeting ye na just na so de na ya wo mu ni say bahwe bia ewo mu ya ne de ya nominate no na wo di check it
o check this year no mo kan free 2018 ho ambo Messi 23 no ayo year no cray national team yet ayo year
it seems nyankopon kwa hwe last year we say mani abre no say girl ye ni na ni
yo
it mean ye biribi soronko a we de wo ye ho hwe
enyi eno na nyame aye
yes
ye ma all the best
yes thank you
big congratulations
thank you my dear
o ma so media be boa go si say oberini na ye sade crew ana be
amen
me da say obestra me
amen nyame shira pa ye vote no na yesre Ghana fo eni wiase nyina se ye betimi awini a gise o vote ye vote ti bo modern na to me vote ma Piesie Esther best artist of the year best gospel song of the year
I mean invite her phone nyina so mo vote ma o
abusiafo mu nua ba Piesie Esther ni na enne metimi fie ya Adom TV so na metoto na me de asere se nyame adom nti no onam so ama waye me yie nwom no wiase nyina age de atom na de pese ye crown ni nyina ne se artist of the year no Awurade mfa wo so no mfa nhya yensa esan se Awurade waye wuye waye me yie ni gidi se ye na wo so nyina apo no obetimi age atom de ho adanse se ebi mo bedu no eye Awurade adom ejade ntine nyina ye nyintu ne nka se waye me yie na ekọ enti waye me yie de ekwan bia so ba mpese mesrew Christopher nkramofo ni wiase nyina se vote no bomodian vote eye artist of the year eye A7 woko message a Vodafone no woko message a no wa type A7 na wa send the makoda eye 1767 1767 ye wo F2 and also so sa obe send the ama 1767 ye wo M you know
that one flyer na da ho mo page o da ho
enti ukoso a obetumi ehu na wa vote e de ama Piesie o say member set is come de ma de ne ba ma bobo a kire
and one na da so
no me page ho kra ampo a and da so no best popular song when etimi ye di kan age wo TikTok dada
TikTok dey viral and dey wow
pepe nti ya age dada nti no ye mfa nka ho ye B10 o type B10 not just what send their code there 1767 now best song best gospel artist no F1. And also F1 then also what send them the same code now 1767 and M2 and also a 1767
into which code name na what they call
1767 wa jewie ma yem fan she Christian ni
anyam e be she abro so me da see so be sha
thank you my
darling me jan the crying no me sa abo concert no mahuni a e course so no what dey gina so e dey vote ni na me da see Piesie Esther I mean this particular year and last year and the review ni dey was fata say oberin like no two ways about it because already anyum na ni me a erera me pacho is well deserving. Into me come my birthday wishes na Kofi Ampadu say Modestus, a life well lived. A life well lived. Into no happy birthday in koma kweku yebua esuama Chief Executive Officer my life insurance Dinah Hamilton ni Kofi Kenata ana okay happy birthday to the camera man Zaki the camera man Robert Kofi Ampadu my director and afi Sandra Sena aka Destos oh Heda asia busia me dem mesia anochi wa beto aso
Brasso say it's na say na yedi nkomo na Brasso say na yedi nkomo say na me kai we say DBS Industries Limited we say adansi no we say adu bia we say oboso afa beda no ma chense papa emfangu dan so we a we dey na the papa nso aka ho ama wo ene DBS fo ni nkita ho St Andrews SHSA oba natural BC nso hwe no wo say wantwa and that's one sign Fanebra St Andrews Senior High School no mbema no asua de ma ne da chen ebeye fe rich okwade achi anope we de kakra gu nso hie mu a we no rich creamy chocolate drinker de ohia no wuskuhie sugar nyina wo mu dada na seja wanom mankwada ne nom biansa wako school mpanimfo so etumi enum Franco Trading Enterprise phones laptops accessories printers machine bi a open fridge air conditioner di na no Franco Trading Enterprise de bi aba edwa so St Andrews Ultimate Remedial School so aba watchro wasi so hwe no wantwa enso still person okọ nursing training wo pese okọ teacher training wo pese okọ university wo pe baby atwa akọ suapon a sign fa kokọ dan St Andrews Ultimate Remedial School no mo fa go so be kakra bi nsi won hye wade na trotwa na to ahomasua no se anyu makoi na ekwa mo mama tena se ma dwumade me de esom wona abusua kai se ba bedi nkomo de bia yetufu ekro manfo mfa so de wo so se ye kasa bebrebe aya na ye ka ene ye hiempu ntujuma ene ya kwan nye ene ye nyansuo ene chichesi nya ba bi na ena school atete apansa ne nyina no aban ne betumi aye no waye ne ye a tise me no mienu eto esefata no yetua eno nti Nigeria mpanimfo atena se am no mobedi nkomo ne ahwe niam ahodo be no de egu akwan mu a ebema eto ne gege no akoyi amanfo nso de ka nti ne nyina ne eba bedi hu nkomo oto na wuntua ato a embra no so opaachi a waso be yesi nti mpanimfo atena se no eye kwakujiwa ono wo ye Chief Revenue Officer Large Taxpayer Office ye no ewo GRA and afen so Theophilus Ehun enso Senior Revenue Officer Deputy Commissioner so ene de breka ho Operation Secretariat Head Office wo mo mienu atena se aye ne wo mo edi nkomo mpanimfo mama kwa ba ne mpombo ko de
ewade adom
ye de nyankopon asepa yedim se sabia mbehwe na sika ne jeje no akoyie na aban no benye sika no de ayo man ne yie nti se mo declare Tax and Good Governance Month. I mean, say free Theophilus ho. You can say Tax and Good Governance Month. There.
Okay, dear. You better say now. You sense which year with Theophony and Ghana for our moshe. You can't air Tax and Good Governance Month now. For issue busumi. The month of April no. And the Ghana Revenue Authority (ADC) who say ye de robo a ye bo ye nkyerɛkyerɛ a ye kyerɛ no ye be hye mu kena ye be pagye mu dia kompempenso bi a Ghana ni bia ebete se ye bo eye etotua ho de ro nti se ye ka sa tax and good governance month na April no ye bo de ro Ghana fa na nia no bebi biara a radio station wo free north eba south ha no ye bo sa de ro no na adwemu pɔ ne se ye be hye obi bia nkran se eye returns a ye ka se ye file no we be koso na waka ko file eye returns mi eye returns ni fi wo so a ye wo dwuma bi a ye di se online webinar ye online meetings ye share HR certification for ye share accountant for ye share lawyers for judges ye ni omunia eye education if you so no we say Facebook live ye wo ye GRA TV e wo ho YouTube man for ko ho aye so ye education and so e wo sa ebia no enia ba ku bi so ye de aba aye fe no task clinic
okay
task clinic ni kire say ye yi ye office e de free ho bi ayete no ye condition mo ayete no ye free ho e de aba edwom e de aba lorry station ni amount canopy ye de computer ni laptops e be si ho bibi bia wonti asie bia no oba ho a ye de besomo
na se nkane no agye se utumrika kɔ GRA office and san wetima kɔ file returns no say mo dey get closer to us market baby anipa wo bia okay
eye nyambo a next week a ye ka kɔ hemu no wo be hu ye wo mbia bebre a ye be sere se mu hu ye wo ho a wasem bi se biara no benye on file returns a oba ho so a ye be boa ma wa sign up ye be boa ama wa file returns no this year can tax and good governance na month of April no sana ekere
kwaku yanhwe mo se nkrofo file returns nkrofo fa say no electronically yes your digital world anye bia no kwan foforo bi ho no mo a metimi atena me fie na maye
oh mpache oyi sese no ye de abafu dwumadia na eye adwuma nti kwan wo ho no ane say o beko yama URL I friend www.taxpayersportal.com
www.taxpayersportal.com
onya du ho a nhyehyɛ kakra wo ho be sign up na afi young office no ebua ama wo nti se ne a wote here the office na aba wo
okay
nti no okoso a na dwumadi bia se wudi eba return na menua yi kan ho asem ni nyina no na wakoso pepepe na
filing return ye dey ade ankasa momra from to your level ne ntiase
filing return ye nkrata bi a commissioner general ehwehwe afi obia otua to ho say ebia afimu ni nyina wadi dwuma bi etua woka ana waye adwuma mfasodi bi aba na mfasodi nkrampo amba yesi buhu akonta ne fabre commissioner general ebinom nso de wo ha bosome obebuhu akonta na de abre commissioner general no na be kire say ebia ka bi wo ho say wutua ana say ebia nso GRA de woka say nso yetua ma wo ana say no mpo no niaman nketenketin bi wa friend relief ni aide be so wasen kakra ebia o mako school yesi e be ma obribi kakra na wo de so wasen ese ebia wo hwe
na se GRA na nyese mo gi sika nko a mo ma relief nso
ye ma relief timu ya krampo e de check crash wo nsem se uska na se wo de man abro so a na watua na dodo na se wo kan se da bi edi metua sense ya na mo hwe o chire obrayen so metua dodo a ebro ne ese metua no so ya ye be ma ye de wa de besan ama
na me metua to why should I file my returns as a taxpayer some dem metua wi na me wi zan kam dem no na
yo there be unwie na ye wo mu ne se medi kan se reliefs ni ade no se one file return na ye hu se ebia wotiwe waware nti ye wo marriage relief e wo yen tax mu wo ma ye wo relief a ye de ma won a ma eku school basa ye tuye relief ma won ebia na umama bia wanyi wona wo hwe no dependency relief eno nso wo ho ye tuye ni nyina ena niam nketenketen ngi se ebia wo pese wo kire se me ma tonga se na emu me nso me bo ka se ni nyina no se wan fa ngu nkrata so amre ya ye ntimu hu na ne else ye de ma won ye de ma won ti ihia se unsu de bia no nso be file or return even though as multimedia na Adom FM busumu bia wotete wo de brain de ba ebe hia se won so be file return ne ye hu dwumadi a wonso wedi afibu ni nyina ana se busum no
okay Theophilus nti se koba se matoma dwene mu men file for return a longer period a de na betumi asi what are the effects
I was emra ye de eye ejuma no emra etotu ya no bro for me say a compulsory contribution say unni akwanya foforo bia aye nhye say e wo say utua na bibia aye nhye no so no aye na asotwe ebata ho na ma nhye no eye adwuma and say one file or returns aso no one file ya ye wa asotwe bia friend penalty na mbo no wo hwe January say na aye nyoma na aye na yen pese be project penalty no anya ade aye ta kan bebre
okay
esan say ye pese ye promote voluntary compliance nti say na ye wa ha ya ye ka say April say wo ya ankrankre wo up to ending of April to file your returns no one farm ba de ru aye boy ni one farm ba na wo say one te na say emre ne pa ho a na ndɛ saa asotwe no a 500 Ghana cedis e pa ho na no 500 cedis na de bia so e ba beto so no 10 cedis.
But how do I file my returns to avoid this penalty?
And it is see no so it here 40 obi am fa ne pen ana say wo phone wo smartphone but www.taxpayersportal.com.
Okay.
Or oba bi wo nchen so a your mobile app no e wo ho ukita iPhone and say Android phone mobile app no Ghana Taxpayers app e wo so. Okoso wi a de anhia say we individual wi ha your Ghana card. O Ghana card na o Ghana card no e shema sign up process and send ya no Facebook, send ya no Gmail account no sa ensesa. Se wo sign up na wo call bibi e friend no ye home page. Obi bia ni ubie website bia maybe audi kan hia no na ye friend home page no and a landing page. Okoso a esan say e be say ohun ehenhan won nti no ubehu e wo so say ya tro file your returns.
Okay.
And a file now button. File now button now obehu wo ho no green. E ho no ya tro personal income tax returns. Say we ankrankra a company a obehu corporate income tax and a company income tax return.
Okay.
No we mia e file now button so umia ni aka ne ye wo angasa wo information awo no na de ahihye na wa submit it. Dey ni kan say wo hihye mpo na say bia wo feel say information bi wo twen mo accountant aba ansa na wo de ahye ma obetumi esave na we free so ade chia wa san aba beto aso uwi a na wa submit e de aman. Di sa pepepe na ete.
Ma me mra kwaku ho. Me ne me ka Jordan na ka me ko file me di. Na ye holiday. Say no metimi atwen na afi the next way be the next working day my year and I online into no brebia ye active.
Se say na February be 24/7. Into no emra no se na me nua ne kan na hye wo say by 30th no e wo say personal income tax no wa file. Into no say 30th nimpu se eso afofida o se ye memene da o se kwasida o se se no yan office na na ye dia ba ufi no nti wo da wo paso kra utimo fa wo phone se enyandu midnight a me call 1st May nti 11:59 kra na obetimi a o file a ibinya ya de pepepe nti ehun hia se obetwa se next week se enye next working day bi o nti se yan office na na ye dia ba ufi
wo phone so no okay ma me ko ti ho anse be ko yen hwe na ne obibia na etua ntokua to property rate moja ya da so ho
ya da se pa
moja jeje yem
ya bi yenja jeje afi na ye hye mukina pa
okay
o se na o sikan no ntokura eto no
ntokura to yes
to bi a e wo hodeda enya ade foforo na Ghana Revenue Authority jumakuo no ene Ministry of Local Government ene Local Assembly se wo honia no ya kan ye ho abom se ye behwe ma sa eto jeje no ya hye mukina na ya January ye ne se senia ye bo de uru efa eto no ye de sa de rubo no property rate de rubo no so aka enjuma ye di hu se ye ko be bibia ye be kan no ama etiefo enia ehunu ye hia se utua sa property rate no wo hwa amanone no ukọ county taxes na na property rate no empotom taxes no eno ne ye hwe ye di sisi ho a cleaners e ba be fa dustbin ye make sure say bibiara eye adwuma wo ho ba ba ye ha na e kam ya ye say ye etua no opa na utua bi enhye wo mu no ye nta enye enti January wo hwe mu a ya gyeto ache e ba no enforcement a ye wo ye mema wo customs wo ho a itumi di enforce e ba no compliance a mo amunim se na ye di adwuma ti ye ne assembly na kan ho abom se e ba ne se ye no ohye na obi biara ntua ye de sa ye mema na wo customs no e bebem ama obi biara etua e ba ne se ye nkyekire mu so a se na ye wa ha no e be kyekire ama obi biara ehu hia se e wo se otua ni ntokura to na ye property rate no
ye time na so a ye konti ye hwe wo final words
e be da wase vice president launch a short code be star 880 hash. You say Ghana phone ya e cost so see ya ka say unye non-compliant obehu we compliance obehu we adwuma ko bi na bia uni ha embo mu no onkrofo na wo de omesi asa omo hwe adwuma so mawa ebi a wo bia no obo star 880 hash na obo company tin ana say ankra obehu say na adwuma yefo no omo ye compliant ana mo nye compliant eti no eno no na ye bebo hu de ro na ye be sere say mboko so etimu e de amaye
kwaku final wet
ni ame so meka ne say sisi na aba efu dwumadi bi brade ye adwuma no obi wo ha na ojeze okọ ha obi mu young offices no ana yen asoye ni nyina aye bi ntime pa cha obi a wo ha obi a no o de twiben office bia ben obi a na fa wo ha ebeto yanim ye beboa wo ne ye wo se yenye na wo nso obeye technology compliant ni nyina no ye bebo modern ya ye ni nyina so
madam wasepa se na muni yedi nkubabusi ampanifo yi wo mu Every Ghana Revenue Authority mene kwakujiwa wo Chief Revenue Officer Large Taxpayer Office ye wo GRA and afa Theophilus Ehun wono so wo Senior Revenue Officer wasan ye Deputy Commissioner Operations Secretariat Head Office and na wo mu akire ye kwane abefa so abefo ntintin fidie kwan so anaso obenante akom office na eto esefata se wutua se Ghana ni no watumi atua mo no mo nso ahwe de siesi o man no na asumdue na ye pɛ na ye kasa abrochire de no Ghana nso atumi ayede sa pepepe abusua me so na me kon de na wo so kai se kwasinsia betina se na mpense mu atwa so wuhia me a eya frɛ me anochi wa ba ajwa se wa bedwam se de me moache
ya ba mo nyina ache ba mo nyina akwa ba biem emfamra bedwam dwumade so wo Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Say Patchomon so emfa MIS Go TV the free channel 176, about channel 119, Go TV. So but DSTV there, and that's your channel 280. To crowd about your work. I'm on any chichida. No, I'm no I will say DSTV channel here the same, but Go TV there moving from channel 176 to channel 119. If we ask baby obia Adom TV and obia aji ede atumo. Your number one super morning show. And so ebre in your bedroom ebre ena asyefa na sekese koma agudemu penifo so agudemu sem ebre no achi ena sister Sandy be a guy and so ede am sepedwumede ebre ne bo ede wura ye edwadiem ne kodi edwa. And then the Ghana Revenue Authority in Penifon the Kuma Church and Nima Bebramwati or as maybe a do see a ye impense free sabre compensa non kuno a bobo bidding they acquisi in Siafa na second year and comma Franco Trading Enterprise. Franco Trading Enterprise. I can say phone papa pada him fee and on open phone ye betcha at the amount. Say ye iPhone, say ye Samsung, say ye Nokia, a smart TV and a will pay. Yeah, if it's 32 inches to 65 inches, a Franco Trading Enterprise, a catching up kwa benya ye papa, a ye kama, a betche, a de amo. Your Franco air conditioner, them. You see, you phone am your church and can because a man for to mean chia on Kania, a canina, a free, Nimonia Udua, Uyusu, a what demo. A bit is air condition, one top papa, a betching Kania papa. They met me a come for at the amount, a Franco air condition, is a salodium. Osa ebeboja e de amount so what dem America crab na e washa se e but entwen kane so e bebre tie Franco air condition oso amrete wa bim na wo de wonum ayenwunu but entwen kane bebre eno na pache wohia wo pe air condition papa de abo office say ye wo demo anampo ba bia wohia air condition bia na Franco air condition American for and then 1.5 horsepower 2.0 horsepower 2.5 horsepower so obi enso honum chanso na all sound system bia so ko Franco akachia obeja bi ato hwemo ewo enkran ene Kumasi from 0246 422 338 and 0555 939 311 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie ene honum safari tissue enso eni mesra wada ene makacho say because of COVID-19 since so man for handkerchief from use no eba form because one hwe na so ko pevifri na sa ade corona sa ko po ni akoti ade ade amount ete ba ente say no obi ayisu eye safari tissue
emu edu pa etese handkerchief na ene sanse ehye bebre nturu su anu wia no ato atwene no asa yeso fro ne bo so ewo fam kama etu tissue ya emu edu se handkerchief a eno a ene safari tissue na mekanfo ere ma o de pepo anu a entity enk won me nyina bonten ka se mpacho mam tissue ende tissue bia na tissue a yaje atum a obi ade ya adwuma safari tissue zest consult enso nem se what apesa o kire IELTS SAT GRE and a person scholarship credit count suam ade wa brochira zest consult na mekan fo edem watching adman go for be say over 4,000 nanya sa akonya we ebim it will be of course zest consult be atum say ampa o awotoso ene arehemu sa ade okọ akope ehunim de no obenya ho enkanko ewa bra okọ na brochiri akwantuem sa asase na bia wo na woton se fie na wo na woton wa akasa so na bia wo pefie bi so aton a just consult be di ho djuma e de ama from 0555 631633 and 050 909 2330 me pachom se no pay richoko eno a na enya ade atuma ye num bia no pe no abo hyehye no ho aye den kama pa yanka se koko ena ye di aye richoko apapa pa no pa onya bi enemu a ebeboa ama wagina na so eyin beko na so yasene ema ye de pensem djubadie ebro ne anopay live on Adom TV Facebook on the comments oh nam komo e ba be de komo kase pa and the evidences ne ba be ye adwuma kase pa patcho journey on Facebook nefa questions ya wo e ma panian ba be din komo anopay ebra ne kenkan f ma Facebook no facebook.com/Adom TV and I call YouTube Adom TV nsuwa obenye hono misi ja questions no o comments nyina o meje ne prepare back kan edema na pay ye bedi command ya fa illegal mining the work of Inter-Ministerial Committee on Illegal Mining ene ba bedi ho kombo krata Professor Frimpong Boateng Chairman Edema IMCIM, former Minister for Environment, Science and Technology, under Nana Addo for the first term in office. Professor Frimpong Boateng, Kata was traded come Chief of Staff. Echechere Ejuma Inter-Ministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. Baby omo fa edi free ye, baby on besi ye, akwansidia odu ana ewomwom. And penifobia wabobo mudi omo kratem so me yakwansidie e the fight against illegal mining e honkomo ene ba bedi ene anopay peni amne di Asia ofianso na oye secretary edima committee no a former Western Regional Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, a presidential staffer leading at a chance onye wonto Bestiu. What na say? Akraba kore. Boko na so.
Ya menado.
Isa se mu watch ya ka.
Me show.
Western ink na kone aba.
Na dama.
Eti for questions. Ya obi ya. Relative to common na ye ba be the nye questions afa fa bibia emfa komo ye ba bedum. En komo am se ye ba be the efa krata Professor Frimpong Boateng koma Chief of Staff ma me frame also pare concerning a Juma Inter-Ministerial Committee on Illegal Mining akwansidia odu a omuhye de krata e boso baako amobie hunu sene etie nie Charles Bisiu enim ewo ho enso ebedi ho kobo ene anape. Very good morning, happy birthday to Mianka Seminwe kuma eba Yelin Akwesi ene eye o birthday nyame nshira no nyokese. I love your smartness. Jelly Nana Akwesi Oware ya wo asante mampominwe kuma akwaku Oware ne ba firstborn ene. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday from your mom Hannah, o father Kwaku Oware, o uncle Akwesi Nsia, o grandpa Mr. Oware. Ene penfo do a eka onyina se we show happy birthday. Nyame nshira no nyokese kopem se obeye kese pa. Jase.
Yes, brother.
O former boss. Krata Oishiye on adwuma mo ye in fact I catalogue the entire work of the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. Yeah, ona now we secretary to the committee. Yeah. In a brief, before we go into details, are you surprised? Are you satisfied with the report now, former boss? Am I on a juma moye?
Okay, medasi. Na mechia itifu na report ndo minjinzi de ohia de mo read. Because we read report now. Na mepede miza kwhwa na chere ma prepare na miza kwhwa. Okay. But ejuma na yen some madapo na ebisama mutuma akasa. Yeah. Because I mean most of the documents I'm putting together as secretary. Okay. Okay. To be some me surprised that man kada me surprised. Ma titinu munsam. Okay. But I'm rather disappointed in Prof.
For a start?
Yes, I'm disappointed in him.
Why?
Okay. That's it. And then Yerbumana is no car Z in his woman. Yeah. And we are see soon Mama Titi there. Una buzi enyim no we jamana men we jan in the state I answer yerba enyim no ana de yerfo dam atwem obama wagwa ma ne nso ye jam chief anamoba nti mim there at the age of wezi prof abro 70 years na wabe chairman dam zaman izino kitan na azan anche obama no kwarizi waiden waye juma onde senyim no kwar na anka no ho na na twene kan na chede na bibi wo ho nti na ayeden ankan okay since America there my disappointed in them aso about time na otro them report okay why do a chairman no a minister no them report one kan wansam
okay sorry but time na obisan 19th March 2021 and now then start share secretary
that time no a minister.
No, a minister.
No, a minister.
Yeah.
Okay. So, time no a minister. No. Why did them report it one trauma, chief of staff? And I went state to them because you see, at the time that a human was making mandate need a bay magalam say no wage a number. Yeah. Now mining why sustainable mining. Sure. Inti, sorry a juma at to report to us ministers now even collaborate with him. Yeah. 10 cabinet ministers. That's not true. Because committee in every point in time ministry be a wage boy. Pochata sir into information ministry day mudo bo kojo pon kumanizino yeah kojo pon kuma I'm not privy to the meeting but the minimum there time now okaka 500 excavators are you yeah the government had to come and defend it because on the 11th of September I think a checker 2019 or a Tuesday prof it was a report be crawl National Security Council okay. There were nearly 500 excavators. We didn't have 500 excavators. That day, no, Mr. the Master, no, my friend, maybe Sunday, now, as that's not the true reflection of also in Moria.
Okay, so time and not even Professor Frimpo Boate Eka said about 500 excavators are not a total number of excavators a woman in 500.
On your manum dabi.
Okay,
because we did a job. On the can be about Ministry of Transport. Sure. Because as a secretary, I did a collaboration between DVLA. Okay. Under the Ministry of Transport, yeah, for me committee be because at that time on the excavators was I think we know on chair duty. Yeah. Into ne enyim do what by what's all construction site or kodi. Into committee na me lead. Ne form committee and I went to GRA. That time no commission of friend Mr. Crensel. Okay. Oma obi from customs. They pedi excavators I import aba man na. Okay. So that DVL will start registering them. Okay. No, you keep about the records of them because enyim baby. Yeah. And most of the excavators they change soon. I mean, who gan Okrofo work politicizing today. President Mahama said about release Okrofo excavators. Yeah. Today the excavators was come and run more China. Because excavators no. A group you among the Ghana is in that. Okay. They are all in the name of foreigners. And the Ghanaian ninya concession now, only scouts bed to go. Yeah. No, I call a foreigner. No, the abazi machine naman. Or the mana a butcher machine with gold. Into ownership is in the name of the foreigner. Okay. Until President Mahama, the master of Prof. Kada 500 IUD, in Uncle Kada, we excavators. President Mahama, also the politics and so bad. Not your dog or shepherd, no China, not come and run.
Yeah.
Number 2, I'm there. Illegal mine and some Prof. Kadam Crofrio. I mean, I'm not privy to his conversation with Gabi Ochidako.
Okay.
Lord Common Adam Zaman Mini, but on a prof, no. Such a dog for Francis who say Chown because on the Northern Bay, Francis Ose Chown was found in the name of Sir John.
Okay, before I call Francis Osu a Chown Edian. Yen Prof. Krataway, because I know a Krataway on behalf of the committee.
Yes.
As secretary or consultative.
And I mean, I'm a step aside.
No, step aside.
Yes, but in some no atron.
Okay.
Do na no kwara. Zaminim, yeah. One of Abu is in.
Okay.
And a minimum no conversation with Gabi.
Okay.
Okay. But most of the things that he said in there are true. And I'm saying that time no your minister.
Yeah.
Why the them one highlight? Okay. And the baby also there 20 I think we could ready Oma committee no swam the Monko and Alaska.
Yeah.
No, I went there. Committee no was swam. Mokre Bay no. I journalists no so I am the one crofun bon kan ko. Nipa me single out here Erastus Asari Donko. Because he was part of the team.
Okay.
No Bay. Ono no show as okohuni.
Yeah.
On the forest reserves. Yes, about 30 journalists.
Okay.
Forest reserve no be in show the mazin. You understand? So we shouldn't blame
apart from Erastus.
Erastus spend the main work.
30 journalists that would call.
Yes.
Why you so exactly. CNJ for
exactly.
Ejuma no me and forest one no.
That's right.
Apart from Erastus Asari of the Multimedia Group Limited, Obi no will show.
Exactly. Into don't blame politicians. This thing is a collective thing. That's why I'm saying that Galamsey has no onye MPP onye NDC.
Aye then I see a day nya kwanya call forest so koye mining.
On a proper state fact no. On way state. Yes, sir. I remember crying per the document.
Okay.
What documents and so.
Yeah.
So the committee made a decision that I have to go there.
Okay.
Okay. And here's a helicopter. You cray and sana later on you cray cruise or Cobra Forest.
Okay. Yeah.
And put that you do on young boys book it through was surrounding.
Cobra Forest they say or sister a from CNJ
Heritage Imperial.
Okay.
Yes. But the directors are the same.
Okay.
As some no at church on no.
But the one say Emrani ye clear. Say ye mine were forest reserves.
Yes.
So mokodru ya no mo ye mine wo honum no. DN as a committee
we stop them. On America let's not talk about the licenses because after the committee in Wejuma, Lands Ministry are supposed to be doing that.
Okay.
Okay. So on Wejumko. But say the chronology of events
okay.
Mukro CNJ Alaska.
Yeah.
No nye Heritage Imperial Mabeno. Ne January. Na so be any recording anambwa.
Yeah.
Okay. So Prof mentions Kwekubaku's name.
Yeah.
Okay. And yenti no kwara woman mu. Yenya nyimzia. Ewa na efi de yezi bunkrofo. When Prof Asamoah Kade Kwekubaku he told me.
Okay. Prof Nankasa Kachira.
Yeah, yes. As secretary that time I was the secretary the Kwekubaku a friend. That work or cabinet Otodo Bash and Alaska and Heritage Imperial. And that were no crofo. Into one Prof. Now that day was at 4 o'clock. And when they went, Prof insulted the people. That one was say,
"Yeah, forest."
Yes, that's okay. Get it right. Okay. From okay, your day na maye.
Okay.
Into Prof kadamin some na awie no. No muna ye crawl. Committee ni share na osumeme. Me lead the team ma ye kray.
Okay.
Into ehwe event na mo crawl ho wie no. We do 4 months. Na announce exposing.
Okay.
The more about Pocho mam chechemye.
Okay.
Then there's Crusaded Guide reporting it. That Donald Entia no bonizin. I've had arguments with. I was in South Africa mining in Daba. And a gentleman be catch him there. Donald Entia and say, I may what hit him. My whole one. Then the announce expose comes in. Obem neck he say I don't know circle of friends. Inti yet 20 years I don't know politicians.
Okay. But Kwakuba friend Prof no. Or friend is say or cabinet on can be farmer CNJ.
Also what the work cabinet. Prof is hard on what CNJ Alaska.
Okay.
Yes.
So Prof should do what on your day?
Into Obama no crofune CNJ Alaska. So there was Simon and then Donald Entia.
Okay.
Who is a friend of Kwekubaku. The white show. Yeah. Okay. So for me, the documentation I saw, okay, wasn't legal.
Okay.
Because say a jazz the exploration, you don't go mining.
Yeah.
And they trick away in the work call what when you entry permitting, no, I had exploration license. They were called explore almost 2 years. So said 2 years was no way to go in Inako, and that was what was happening in CNJ Alaska.
CNJ Alaska try a way to pay their way through IMCIM.
How?
Like bribing, must say, at least be a come on not to more money more. Did it ever happen?
No. I mean, there. People try giving me money, manji, and I was reporting it to Prof.
Okay.
I mean, until my cadet, as I report to Watron. Time no, you minister, no, a chairman. Every step of the way, no, I don't report my committee, no, for chairman, for president.
Okay, yeah.
Now, one for ministerial role now, yeah, I am minister, bium. Na, abaka the 500 excavators behind you. No, what's after CID investigated, then you are leaking this. You are not being truthful to the country, as I said. And when you are not honest, you are disorganized. And as I said, okay. Point I'm making on CNJ Alaska, I mean, no, Heritage Imperial. What was happening was that licenses no kitan. No, you don't. Waji exploration license, yes, it is legal. Waji entry permit. But they were doing actual mine. Ebokun way to go in our
entry permit to the forest.
It's all no you're there, Kukubaku. Or don't can because no business bar. No, I bet no cannot church him. Okay. So there are levels of licenses. So you should be truthful to the Ghanaian populace and tell them that no, when you did. But now on no any young no one can no Karanana. Because from what I saw here, CNJ Alaska one, the Heritage Imperial, don't now then oil company or insurance company yeah, there were timber company okay. It's when they get the entry permit, what you know, what we are one oil.
Okay.
It's about what be 2 years license and no way to go Navy. So the state loses, because time na be exploration about the gold or no way to go in our country. The state doesn't get any revenue. Shouldn't you have reported on that? As a American, into Nipa no to no ya just that or stop young cocaine from for cocaine to the cam no wine one kind of see. That's what they did to me. And my point is that Prof knew all this the truth. Now, or single know how today or he was the last man standing, right?
Yeah.
10 ministers. He can't say they'll be behind you.
Or say they were not cooperative.
He was rather cooperating with them. I'm the secretary and I say this.
No, secretary. How cooperative was Minerals Commission and the Lands Ministry?
No one saw the man. Mr. Somehow I can.
Okay.
I know. Minerals Commission weren't cooperating.
One cooperating?
Yes. They were sabotaging our efforts. Under here.
Under Openi SK Buafo as chairman of the commission.
Yes, but
no more cooperative.
No.
Why? What was the reason?
About my directive, but one of Washi Asen was obey. They sabotage the thing.
Because today no Cressa Abrada Moko Asante Achimako be one of the community mining. I don't know. Minerals Commission directed the then MC say, or making sure say, or best sabotage my program.
I'm not privy to that. Maybe at that time, no master.
Okay.
But my main choice at Minerals Commission.
Okay.
But you only be some question. I need to make sense in what I'm saying. You see, Galam Stop Bay.
Yeah.
And the Minerals Commission will be offering MCAS.
Okay.
MCAS, no. Every time you have to pay them.
Oh, okay.
So somebody's making money out of that.
Sure.
Okay. Galam Stop was one-off payments. I even negotiated that. Nipana or your Galam Stop. Mama, you're employing.
Okay.
Don't bet on Shazanodo. Yeah.
Okay.
So by doing that, you've saved the state some money.
Sure.
It costs us 400,000 cedis. But MCAS also the year costs 400,000 a year. So who is making money where? Now, the Galam Stop was to put all the agencies together. Into say, a Minerals Commission like a license, forest, EP.
Yeah.
On and not Galam saying, but because what we delay, no, we bribe, no.
Yeah.
So the Galam Stop was supposed to put that together for us.
Okay.
Transparency, baby, to be plenty. Because there, a ban of the Galam Stop in bed. So Minerals Commission was this in Chan, and they are not using it. So isn't it causing financial loss to the state?
To the state, yeah.
Exactly. Now, my point, I'm going to make a trouble in there. On there, Prof has mentioned names.
Yeah.
But where is no boys, no?
Prof boys.
Mike Gizo, Kwabra Wachi, no Francis Ose Chan. Where are they? Mama Karata said, and maybe I'm a Kabian, or you know more facts.
Okay.
He introduced that boy to me, Francis Ose Chan, as a geologist. He wasn't. Okay. Eventually, I'm going to be boy in his office.
Okay.
How the maybe?
Oh, me pay so ye.
To match the Francis Ose Chan or call Jabbing. we don't need people like that in parliament.
Okay.
And so long as I'm here, if I have to go to court, because I tell you, a man I mean, I will be doing this a disservice to this country when I know that Nukaribu will be a yanking. Into Prof. No, I don't report it. Okay. Only 2 paragraphs in count.
Okay.
Non far in the maybe.
Your details and castle what may be a report to be a capture. Then it looks as if say a Karuna boy is setting up interministerial committee on illegal mine. And for so many about some more.
Okay. You see, BBI has to start from somewhere.
Yeah.
Yet says it's able to catch him there. Galam say some no. Now, why I say assassin for 20 years, and then there's empirical evidence. There's a measure there will be maybe 20 years. No, we didn't have that. The president made a bold statement. Now, even though we're training about 4,500 people with UMAT,
okay,
we collaborated with UMAT.
Okay.
2, verification of licenses. Even the first license crew own about 5 concessions.
Yeah.
Nina cleaning Nina drones are what's been on minimum za OKCC.
Okay.
Odu baby ne bonde insuno oye fine. Until make the ministry be away because under Cecilia Dapan in sanitation, we had Water Resources Commission.
Yeah.
They were reporting about the therapeutic state of the water.
That the pH level.
Yes, it's a
okay.
Well, you know, a tepidity. Is it tepid? Well, wet are we? What technical wet? Yeah.
Okay.
You came in. 2, actually, yeah, Ministry of Local Government, Haji Alima, MMDCs, no, yeah, former mining committees, and some of them were effective.
Okay.
Number 3, actually, or yeah, Kofi Jamesi, chieftaincy.
Yeah.
We traveled across the country about 3 or 4 times.
Okay.
And our chiefs and he consistently he was on the chiefs. And the chiefs also become. Now, community mining or forming committee. I was the chairman of the committee for the community mining.
Okay.
The community mining, which is there, yeah. All we need to do is monitor what we're doing. So the things the structures that were put in place, I believe was good.
Okay.
We haven't lost out.
Okay.
Ghana and culture in the year,
sure.
That's the only thing that but I think we did a good job.
Okay. So sir, ministries, agencies, for example, the Minerals Commission. Na Prof. Boss say because say as a mampeni beti omodwumani bi edema IMCIM. And now ma omo comfortable with no.
Yeah.
How well am we engage you to make sure say at least you all be on the same part? Because Prof. Crab also at point said or reporter as I'm chief of staff. I'm a chief of staff refer say munina mo yempen for na why on out any issue be obia then you move along. But still, Minerals Commission are more on board.
Okay. You see, Minerals Commission won't to make so man paying out to committee. You're uncomfortable with it. You can't say that, but that was what was happening.
Okay.
You see, the interministerial committee was an amalgamation, another incubum of 10 ministries.
Okay.
Into the Minerals Commission, you're a subset of it.
Oh, okay.
Lands and natural resources. So you can't just say the women is now. Interministerial committee, no, don't not act no or set up Minerals Commission EP and okay. Into our existing agencies.
Okay.
But a human and what touch and interministerial committee one better no permanent or your ad hoc committee.
Yeah.
Into a house cleaning BB and the president for the
okay.
But into say and you're comfortable because na yards in the internal work that way made on. What did them team the bay?
Yeah.
But into what the team the bay no? A human day, young coming in boom. Yeah, then young on normal gallum stop in the bay because yet some reporting in I even know. Ubi a chichen a catch license or a Minerals Committee also EP obey 6 months. Okay, also aba. So the delays and the bureaucracy no on put no mind no sorry no okay abazet galamsin potata. So on to make no one year comfortable.
Okay.
But that was as my African on no
Sananesi.
Yes.
Charles Onyawanto BCU, former secretary to the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. And no chichim komana na pay about Krata Professor Frimpong Boateng actually at the Coma Chief of Staff on 19th of March 2021 about the Juma Committee no in so mobua a cleaning your mining sector no ye baba say ejuma de show munsa emresante omudi yem fasudia pepa neba at the moment me dey akwasisia hwe
Yes, Ababa Kwaba BM and Famran Pesem Jude so on Badwam or Adom TV. So Charles Onyo and Tobisu, your former secretary to the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mine and Entry Common and Pay a day after Krataya Professor from Pop watching extra at the Comma Chief of Staff, Mami Frema also Pare on the 19th of March 2021. A detail Juma Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining a year. Any a consider Yawodo Yana a woman. Just Prof. Actually, the way forward. But we share a bit of any message be. My miss a message no as Mansana Yako. Yakase, dear pa, because the purpose near say, you bet Sweni. You be minimizing and as you be eliminating galamsey, illegal mining. Best over 2 years near more year at Juma at Interministerial Committee. These two goals, and we didn't achieve here.
Okay. And when you're not honest, you're disorganized. Okay. Actually, two things how we achieve that. We were not given timelines to achieve certain things.
Okay.
We're asked to put parameters in place.
Okay.
Ibutum, by my day, is our solve problem.
Yeah.
After that, you know, it's not an ad hoc committee.
Yeah.
Now, various agencies and why we do. So it was more like a review of their work and then bring in technology and them. Tibunde, Yakafa, European Space Agency. I led them to come.
Okay.
Free of charge. Later, no Minister Treme, obey Minister. Mete no buka package or that Jabaniska.
No be
Obuka package no that Jabaniska. Yes. Let me send
the former Minister for Lands and Natural Resources.
But he wasn't him.
Okay.
No, only take over.
Okay.
Send you on the Mazi na Minister, I think Ameuno.
Yeah.
Tell it's Ameu Fihon. Ameu be one bringing up a friend Francesco of European Space Agency. Obey trainee EP all the agencies on satellite imagery.
Okay.
So that you use satellite into those Galamsey sites. Nina. Yeah, vetting on his you can see your concession on the screen. Until make a gentleman crow. Obey on the first person, open no kitchen, no cruise in the mine is Biako Munzakushi. Because obey you concession, I'm into Kanokar. Yeah. Now, Francesco Bay Crane. Now, Minister Tremi take over.
Okay.
No, be a package as the European Space Agency, BBBNT, or Beji Abaniska. So I sent a message to Minister Tremi.
Okay.
And then National Security Minister Kandapa that this thing has been done free of charge for the state. No man who be pedozi jiska or into Pocho one stop.
Okay.
Until Mamu ye no. And then they stop
now blocking system no.
Man block system, mayor system ni.
Because blocking system to make sure say loopholes be ama by be ama
criminal system no. Clarify. Okay, what system for criminal initial. Because I hasn't free of charge for the state. Aba, na be then. Ebe
one no person o ma ban twa ho sika.
Oh, so no Mr. National Security Minister na Mr. Minister Chairman.
Who the nipa ne din?
Yes, I told him. And I think the person was
or a government official.
I think the person was removed from there.
No, or a DA
consultant.
Emma Wine.
Also, ye must say a hono we unifiho. Atasa. You know when we are doing these things now, they are legal matters. But Mr. Brochure work in our reporting with the Common Minister Kandapa no, and then the person was moved. Now, I say about success success in being community mining. Even though on there perfect mobile, but it is also a solve problem.
Osaje for motive for repairing ana anopeunkoso. Or say illegal mining in disguise, the community mining.
It's because it's the approach. One way in them, because the community mining was the chief was supposed to be involved, the financier, the miners, and the district assembly. It is a 4 in Akawa, the district assembly can get their revenue from it. Chief Nezoido not the assassin, but the minerals belongs to the state. But our joke, so everybody was catered for. Okay. Minim main management and academa. Ebia no be no because to them was a Juma change panensa no aka a quanbido. Prof or the report we be wage home. You remember no obia microphone there about 4 million minors in Ghana.
Okay.
And I disputed that fact. And I said, okay, the best way to do that is that ID card system.
Okay.
So every minor must have an ID card. You start here, register about 2,000. ID card.
Small scale minors?
Yes.
Okay.
ID card, so that we get their data. Now, one TIN, tax identification number, so that after some years, we start taxing them.
Okay.
Prof asked me to stop doing that. Why?
Hey.
He asked me, so he's not honest with me. I mean, Mukro London. I had a card printing machine. Your opposition, no, I'm ID card, be my party. Or when the Ministerial Committee CCR, my personal machine. Mukro London. Nala Prof, you talk a machine about £6,000 to do that job. What do baby us win Jay? Why did he stop them?
Ubisad.
I say
Ubisad.
Monsieur, it's how I know Ubisad. So I'm not actually
Ubisad because near okay, near one.
I say who here?
Because one when
you are not honest, you are disorganized. Because the committee accepted that we do that so that we get data of all minors.
The committee are not only chairman accepted say munya data of small scale minors for Ghana.
Exactly.
Munya ID cards. Mom said be as a baby say be say a higher simesidia, a higher obetidia.
Exactly.
Tracing the person be easy. Paying taxes be easy.
Exactly.
And a Professor Frimpong what no ye chairman of the committee say munya is adeno. One chim.
Perfect. I checked him.
One chim.
And also win here.
Yes. After the committee now, a 10 sectorial ministerial committee, no.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Professor Frimpong Boateng as chairman say a 1 year.
Exactly. In terms of them report all your paragraphs be count. As no to either double as a watch on your conclusive. Because Mrs. Amadapo. It looks as if the committee question Muncha Dan Kapapa. That be onto them. No. They were cooperating. Mr. Ono no be on cooperate with them. Anambwa. Professor using the operative word cooperation. Yeah. So also they didn't cooperate with him. On non cooperate with them. And I have my reasons why. And I made sure there. So Kofi Jamesi or Okro turning in an. Yeah. Menyanoko. Okay. Moba a secretary. Dambuchi and Zamini Moba. Yeah. Sisi Dadapa. Where they not working. It is what I didn't ban a committee but on us ID cards. The minus organ ha. Okay. You are minus obeying insurance. So by gathering that data, but then you know the number of concessions. They are them concession. You 5 road. It is part of the transparency. Into people who have ownership of that concession. The our Christincia Charles Bisu Anna. Yeah. So why did he stop that? Where are the machines?
Sir Prof said now the other sector ministers were not cooperating. Most of their reports now as a secretary na Ukita.
Yes.
Was it because they not all reported correct information from a prof? No, a dreamer other sector ministers no what concluded said
that other too. Some is Mr. Passai 2019.
Yeah.
What Anas has been to one way was it. Now, what I'm trying to say, them reporting in the moment and do man.
One are the man.
Yes. Them diagrams no church therefore it comes from me as secretary now and yeah I'm one of the best secretaries now one asempa so I was doing my work okay you see I hate to say that me feel no
okay
into prof so more yent no no handle
or so free wajiego
okay so but I don't want people or yebi
enye no correct
no even the ejuman prof yebi
o free wanyengu
no, so committee Wogun, Anna. No report was at the end of his work.
Yeah.
It was an ad hoc committee.
Yeah.
But it be some question, Mama, some of the successes of the committee. It means that the committee, to some extent, was successful. The president formed its mandate towards Mehen, Juma. The only thing I'll say in the Anas expose, why the Ghana football. Mama Ganata sa ono the back some no court. Mama Zanasa court. But the reason why I kept quiet, ubia because Emmy International Committee as a secretary, paper was started from in Eminamutre.
Okay.
Every document, roadmap, community mind, I started everything. Let me into Miss Mada Pune be some na minimum. But in you see what they did to me from 2019.
Yeah.
Me, but I check Google. everything that I've said, I've been consistent.
Officer Nas expose the professor from Pop what in the movie.
Sisi anu muntu manka. As I said,
okay.
Muntu manka. But say, if you have, you'll be your friend vicarious liability in law. Yeah. If you are Adom Hane Sisi anu kone, ike Johana ABB. Obakra Adom FM staff no I anambwa.
Yeah.
But there's other things because going on your own frolic.
Yeah.
But if you do now 5 o'clock, na ke fie ke wonzama. Ono no wala na e wati.
Sure.
Now prof no the Francis Osi Chambe. It's police report. Oh, Francis since yes. Ono na guy no butcher video announce microphone. Ono so not one day.
Okay.
But
okay.
So at this point I cannot say
yeah won't mean can nyina mom there but fia one say na tie no it look making look as if say as but e see your frɛ
say e share a meeting at asa
and not expose anybody.
So we met. We also
committee mushia.
Yes. And I stepped aside.
Okay.
What kind of one phone call? Because Ghana one Nejuma we President Akufo-Addo na government. When I voluntarily was to step aside when investigation. Am I not the first person? And I put your record to OBIB. OBIB.
I think former Deputy Agric Minister Soko Kansimbia na later.
On son or resigning.
Yeah, or resigning.
But Amazon, why investigation?
Okay.
Say innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah.
Mobile.
Sure.
So I could have stayed there.
Yeah.
Now I made you no worry investigation. But Mr. Darby, Mempeda me interfere. Mempeda meka mine and one some view.
Okay.
But that's why then uncle. I was called back. Odu baby no. I'm in the prof nala ishie. Ne penny bi
okay.
On your president.
Okay.
No say uncle back na me yejuma. Atasa.
One can call back.
Mambozi Mr. Penny be on your president so.
On your president
Darby. Penny be a share. I mean
penny pebu abemu.
Yes.
And our party him.
Aban.
Oh abemu.
Yes.
Penny pa.
Yes. Yes share. What's the munko you? It was Friday be. That day next day mudu axim no more valegra. Katranfe kunu constituency.
Okay.
Nam fre me penyin le mpantwe djuman we fi mum menye.
Ade. No we slow life ana.
No anya them. I just lost interest in it because I felt that as I me was a bomb man.
Okay.
And then there's still people around the way. Them see question maybe some yes. Muntu kan there Prof Kawano asam so court into munkum.
Yeah.
Okay. But I'm saying that on another Francis Bay. In terms of the market three things. First of all, time of the report no. No your minister be no your minister of environment not Troy. Mobile. 2, why is he leaking this now? Because CID4 our friend mobile. Number 3, no Francis will say chow no you Mikey Gizo no you kwabra watch no boys no. Why do one boys no akọ bonko fufu wozin. My minim no so that George Shim secretary na adwuma anamba.
Yeah.
Into why do orkebi no ejebi. ID card na anche yanche by this time in the question bi wa ha why do you be a date of minus in this country. Why don't stop it? So there are things appear to my report.
Okay.
And then he goes on to talk about Kojo Ponkruma Doye, at the meeting, be them crowd.
Okay.
But what I do know, time now, what are the 500 excavators? I know in Ghana.
Okay.
So I wrote a letter to him. I copied the president and all the ministers, laying the facts bare.
Okay.
The man said, no, I could do social media. October, no, October, no.
Yeah.
The prof must come out to speak. Time na NDC for press conference, was marathon excavators, President Mahama Sobo.
Yeah.
Now, Troy, the prof must come out and speak the truth. Because as I almost have been yet, as something in no one China now so bad, about responding them, you're corrupt mobile. One China Kisija have been from on more breaches or extradite Maba, 20,000 extraditer. Sana wala unyankwa. Mama China. Now, so prof, as could you upon command, when I wrote that letter, what I do know is that the government had to come and defend it and lay the facts bare.
Okay.
That I knew that a certain meeting happened.
Okay.
Okay. And I believe that it was a legal and a legitimate meeting.
Okay.
Based on the facts. Because on the 11th of September, a certain reporter, Nala Odo National Security Council, says the reporter called September. Now, name about 200 and something excavators.
Yeah.
Okay. Then February, come out to say 500 IU. And the report that has been going to work consistent. And maybe an excavators in one crown because first now all over the country.
Yeah.
And then Nkrofu through court order were releasing them. Obiso no ajiska. So the committee met and said, "Yam fani in Ambran."
Yeah.
Now, what's bank soon? any ministers, I think Honorable Cecilia Dapa, Haji Ali, and the ministers, I think Honorable Akutu Oseka, money in charge of monitoring. What could she be as no? Then all of a sudden, that's 500 IU. No action, Crawford. Moba.
Yeah.
Ne, Waka Charles Bisu Sufi into Old Ghana Wanchin. Moabriti will not say, Charles, now be Jumo, Ejumo.
Professor Frimpong,
no, Pedamudu, no, Madam catch a police from one chief of staff. I'll come to you. No crying, no, I be suspect. Is no police from crowd, walk up in the interview, no cry. Or crowd, NIB, to be NIB. No sort of report or the crowd there. Worship. More crying, yeah, we are not allowed to be suspect. Yeah? NIB from crowd on Osaka. Also, more on statement. No, that's not some my bribe, no, that's some cross CID. You see, so he needs to come. Okay. No, can quite more mislead Ghanaians. So, or can cross. If you can there, I am sorry. If you are also my head, my Ghanaians in here. I think if he does that, in Ibusia, in a Izechi, by Ibusia, the unpainful for what for my wedding, what patch.
Okay. Yeah, Juma way, and so Samra says, na a commodia and sem a womb. Baby, I will be a say na illegal mining air cosua. And ne unim send a wound so tibia ete. Any ate. And I said it no enete. Shwe, ye by say. Charles Onya wanto BCU a former secretary Edema Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining and Entry and Commander Teacher say. It's in here no Professor Frimpong wanting to investigate near Marcoso or Mujumedi Amudi. Do you think say or Sempen and Fortune on investigating no? Or as chairman of the committee?
Sir, I think President directed that. Yeah. Excavators, some now into 1 year investigation. I think CID are doing that.
Okay.
And honestly, I think I believe in the agencies. They'll do a good job. Sir.
Yes, we are former Western Regional Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. Yeah. She say, man, from Penny 4 Barman, yes, despite a Juma Muye, despite the fight against illegal mining, Ghana now come by be a illegal mining cost ye pa a Western region. Are they?
Oh, sir, Western region on a bread basket of Ghana. Or your bauxite, manganese, okay, the Niger Delta. On the Saddam resources in the social vices. In the Oma Nina, there will be often resource case, a number. Resource case in there, you get the resources in abundance, but then the indigenous will reap and that will not benefit from them. And that's one of the reasons the Western region, because gold, bauxite, manganese, cocoa, a number.
Is it not because in Penifon be a complicit in the illegal mining activities of course won't it? And then the fight and I difficult?
It's a contributory factor, okay, as I say. And I don't want us to politicize Galamsey, from what I know, because NDC, MPP, journalists, it become.
Journalists, ni be Galamsey.
I saw for Poye, I am for ye. Hey, into Shendo, a nipa noriazan, mention the political party view. As a moment, catch on, because I'm speaking from authority.
But the way to end it will be a political decision. There been a coffee bar here, your team of committee saying, come on, streamline it and Yemenanka.
So, as Ghanaians, we just need to change our attitude towards work. Say, President, or Somoba, was a decision, was a policy. Policy in over 6 months, they on for or they achieve. Eboko ministry or channel where are them? Nipa kuno you civil servant no you or do you obi 9 to 5. So baba 10. Moba, you've lost 1 hour out of the 6 months. Moba, 1 hour each day times the 6 months where him.
Because minister no be checking and so nyana sem na nia brisika.
That we say minister no ono or sure. Moba. Inti Sabio anye day next now civil servant na you know you signed a contract to work from 9 to 5. Who chief director or atasa. But 9 to 5 or baba 10 obo 2 so no happen. So that's man hours lost to the state. So it is not just that politically or you say attitude. But atasa. As Galamsey no what you tasna what the community mining bay. Net community name there. Abaze ejuma no za aba no be benefiting yan but what ba no oba mo kakra otu no mo kakra so da onyahwe Buensu na onko river no.
Baba penny ne nesi o se onko fentia saade no. One or the other were compromising no. Nipa na cause it's oko galamsey site and the boys ni akacho say me boss. And no ye ni no afa phone no afre penny bi.
Yeah.
Please ni ana so ye ne gi an yoba chan yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. No agya omo. Etitimamfo be ye den. Omo ko bu omo anasa.
Mr. First of all, no that we need to talk about our attitude first. Our CCI and drive no police chiwa. One over if you're paying there, paying no or meaning paying by and catch a police in Unja. So I believe in what the IGP is doing now. Police no actually one power or don't call mobile. So I'm just saying that you change your attitude first. Two, I could paying now or you are compromising. Compromising could it be monetary compromise another or you have as a debut or
benefited directly from it.
And now compromising the yen son but obi monetary.
Yeah.
Ebi so no for obi. Okay. Ebi waka for girl.
Okay.
So it could be so many things.
Yeah.
But you actually but a baby so one e keep say the nyankopon ne papa or friend. You will not get an answer. No, you can't get an answer to it. So what you need to do is that we have to change our attitude first. Because what the rules are ekwa abrichese abrichiru oye abrichiru zimbrado here. Sometimes na me fi abrichiru ba JFK. Wait, no way COVID test. Yeah. Or check-in. Gentleman be Ozikun nor cross keke. Bring in a friend please stand here. No, Kijoso, I'm sorry. No, Ozikun. And they do Kutuga had. I wanna know an attitude they change. No, my friend. I'm say, na you JFK no fan. No, you're conforming to the laws and the rules. It do Ghana nating, but ever since Ghana I say
it is because abroad system here you to the stand say, oh nyina home fa phone throw be Emma penny me kanchre subordinate no airport to say yes sir.
So we have to change our attitude.
It's not changing about attitude. It's about them penny front to making sure say akwasinsia afomwa. Despite the fact akwasinsia ye menua, akwasinsia madam for, akwasinsia me colleague, akwasinsia me papa bi. Emra ne se dia na nhia ne se akwasinsia tra ba bi oti. Akwasi sorry a emra ne se but say akwasi sorry na say penin be kwa kofre na Charles be kwa report na penin na frɛ no Charles yes. How can Charles work effectively?
There asem na American into woso na asem na to enwa inde bumbrado.
Yes.
So you deal with it.
Yes.
Na ka frɛ.
Yes.
Messi yes system no onye abanonkuti I'm just saying that or your attitude obia.
Yes.
So you're conscientized
from head to toe.
Yes, you're conscientized and I like what the IGP is doing.
Okay.
And then the number police headquarters.
Yeah.
The way why police headquarters they input on my whole. So what you know what okay first on so all these things are psychological things to actually instill discipline in our society.
Just you're operating up illegal mining bet me to us organ.
You to me to say we just need to monitor and be persevere.
Or more na eji hu sikedi e be dey to ase.
On the mini evidence but I mean report no have some number king. Say prof odo central report for
report na waka say ministers ni bia compromise your ho. Ministers ni be enye cooperative because of maybe their own interest. And this is in the report.
This not an answer can wasam. As American mark fantipio.
Matthew say
the report not shown. The only thing I that amfan is in shame do no so come.
No count.
Ma brother
no Kenyan and Krofua a one.
Yes.
Professor Frimpong Boatenakasa as a person.
Was he aware that they were doing it?
Was he involved in illegal mining in Ghana?
Messi, was he also aware that they were doing it?
Professor Frimpong Boaten, former chairman of Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining, was he directly involved in illegal mining in Ghana?
A pedestrian headline from you. Prof was not clean.
Medase. Charles Onya won't be seen. Former secretary.
This on your clean.
Never Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. We did have since you be at my Monday. You be there share oh be so but my very good morning from Koma Medina Nasara coordinator ma NPP Amiyoko Rashman and also CEO of Rashman Travel Consult. But I was not open. I say come production team, sound, light, camera, MCR. Yami Admo, you are the best idea. Yakra, we switch Adom TV.